Good morning, Wolfpack. How's everybody doing this morning? Right on, right on, right on. Let's get into some stuff this morning. Oh, I had a good sleep last night, all rested up. Yeah. Let's do this. Oh, gotta move my filing cabinet here. Got it in my way here. Taxes. Don't taxes, taxes, taxes. Actually, I got a lot of money coming back this year. Oh, for once. Usually I owe lots. But because I had my neck surgery with all the plates in my neck. I got an exemption from the government, so I finally got approved for it, which is good. I think it's only a one-time shot, but yeah, it's a good thing. It's a good thing. So I was looking through it last night. I actually I had it last year, but because of all the stocks that I had to claim last year, um, it's a little confusing. It's going to be easier this year because I've liquidated a lot and put them into AMC. So yeah, it's going to be. I forgot to file the piece of paper last year. I was stuck on the bottom of my taxes. I looked in it. I'm like, good thing you have up to 5 years to file that stuff. So, good morning, my friends. Yeah, so just reminding, do the taxes up in Canada. I just wanted to clarify this. I was just watching the news this morning. I guess they're giving an exemption for the year. So you have a year to do your taxes. They're giving an override on it. The other thing is that you don't have to pay interest on if you owe anything. So every little bit helps, right? I know that I kind of don't trust the government. They're saying that you don't have to pay for a year, right? But you know that something's they're gonna ding us. I don't know. I just don't trust them. So I'd recommend doing your taxes anyways, even if I would not put anything off. We've seen shenanigans before with the government. So anyways, good morning, everybody. I'm just going to go over to Facebook or over to YouTube here and have a look. Good morning, everybody here. So we do have some new wolves that just signed up yesterday. I just wanted to see his and Stefan. Stefan is one of them. I need you to contact me, brother, for your membership, your voice or your chat membership. Thank you. Your voice chat. We'll get you set up on go through some of your squeeze tools and stuff like that and get you set up on some stuff, man. So right on. That's good. I'm glad that everybody's getting more serious about this stuff, right? That's good. Okay, I just wanted to check over there. So, any questions this morning? We'll just override the chat bar over to the side here. There we go. Oh, still waking up. Everybody's looking good, great here this morning. I know, Christopher. I feel the same way. Yeah. It's been a busy couple days. Oh man, my neck's sore this morning. Ouch. It's been a busy couple days for I think for all of us. Right on. Okay, I'm just going through some stuff here. So I was up pretty early this morning. Not too early. Sorry, mods. I don't know if you had a meeting this morning or not. I just came in and fired my computer up. So got jumped in the shower and all the good stuff in life and made some coffee. Oh, there's nothing like when you crack a fresh tin of coffee, eh? There's no. Okay. So let's get into things here. Okay, do you have any questions? Hi, JP, another YouTube creator on here. JP, I've showed this before. There's my baby. Look at that. Imagine finding that in the stream. That would be like, let's go home right now. There you go, buddy. That is Canadian gold. So anyways, the reason why I mentioned that is because JP has a prospecting show channel and actually everything. It's he's a creator that is he's a family man, right? So we're going to be unveiling another channel here. I just want to go through this. You guys know Connor on our channel or on our server. He's who builds my intro, beginning and end of my channel. He's done all of our software. He's a software editor, digital producer. So yeah, I just wanted to say that there's going to be a channel released in the next couple weeks. That's up to him. We're gonna have a premiere for him. Okay, on the channel. He's a very good friend of mine, and he's been working on the channel for a while. So we're gonna be releasing his stuff. We're gonna probably be going together to release it. It's gonna be an awesome day. So yeah, I just want to say something. You guys have something to look forward to. The guy makes good content, right? Like so, we'll see. I don't even know what his niche is. I don't want to know until he releases it. I want it to be a surprise. So that's all I wanted to say. We do support other creators on this channel, right? So I've been contacted by a lot of them, which is fine. Yeah, we support. We're like that. We want to help the community grow, the YouTube community. It's pretty big. Yeah, so I just wanted to say that I'm proud of you there, Connor. That's good that you're doing that. That's cool. It's totally cool. And you guys know who he is because he's on the server. He talks to lots of you guys. But anyways, I just wanted to do a shout out to our partnerships, Broggy, AB Investments. There's a whole bunch of them. I can go through them all here. Mediocre. So what I do in the mornings, I've been doing is I'm switched it up a little bit this morning, and sorry mods, I didn't tell you, it was just something minor. So what I do in the mornings, Restream gives you an option to send out a stream link, right? So that stream, I'll just explain it because a lot of people don't know how this works, and so you guys know, right? You guys are part of the channel, the family here. So yeah. Anyways, so what happens? You send this email out, and then they have the option to join. So what I do is I'm going to attach it to our master creator list that we have. I'm still working on it. Is just send it out there, and it'll be like a surprise thing. Whoever comes in, I don't want to know. And then some mornings I might not send it out. So I'm just going to kind of leave it open ended. So yeah, it's just something that if somebody shows up, they show up. If they don't, they don't. Right. So it's kind of like that. Just because we're getting really busy here, and it's just easier for me to hit on a master list. That's all. And some mornings I won't. Okay, like a couple times a week, I just want to hang out with you guys. So, anyways, let's jump on in. Let's do a screen share here. I'm gonna pull this chat bar. I'm just gonna go through here. I'm just gonna speed through the list here to make sure there's no questions. I know the mods will pick up on it right away, but I just wanted to have a look and see who's in here. My beautiful family. All the wolves are just bushy-tailed this morning. Look at this. I signed up for a full deal. You did. Yes, you did. Ray, you did. Did you want to do something this morning, Ray? If you do, just hit me a message on the server and we'll get you set up sometime today. If you have time. If not, then whenever. It's all good. I work off of your guys' schedule, right? And that goes for anybody that I haven't talked to in a while. You have to contact me or else I won't contact you because it just goes back and forth because I don't know your schedule. My schedule, I can make work, right? As long as it's not on times I'm creating content. And you all know that time. Okay. So what's the email, Cam? I sent Cam to set up. Sorry, buddy. I'm going to pull this up for you because I can't read that. Froggy contacted recently. Set up meeting. Oh, you're not on our. Are you on the server yet, bro? I don't think. If you are, just message me on there. If you're not, then we got to get you on there. It's CS Trades. Does somebody want to throw my email up, please? To get this gentleman to set up a meeting with me, please. Thank you. I'm just gonna do this mods and set up here on this. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Okie dokie. Let's do this. I was waiting for the comments to come down. Oh, there it is right now. Oh, they're already on it. They were on it way before me. Good morning, there, Teach. Beth, right on. What a good lady. Okay. Okay, anyways. Let's do the screen share here. Bango Schwango. There we go. So I'm going to pull these messages off. So I do have a little bit of a lag here on the message thing. If I have it up on the screen, it's harder for you guys to see it. Okay. So I'm just going to pull this off here. There you guys go. And if you hear a fan running, I got my heater on beside me because my house is freezing this morning. The temperature dropped major last night. It was a clear sky out there. So. Okay. I have to go to the office and get my. Sorry, I just want to see this because she wants to. Oh yeah, yeah, not a problem. Whenever, Ray. Whenever, you're on the server and all that stuff. So yeah, we'll get you up. And if you're not on the server to do a meet, I can always fire you a Google Meet. I've been doing that to a Google Meet link, and then we'll just fire up on there, and then I can hook you up on the server right away. Okay, but definitely email Stefan, email Christopher. You're not on there. Send him your contact email, and then he'll put you on the server, and we'll get you set up. Right? It's just easier that way. Then I can link you up on our app. Okay, we'll download our app together. So, okay, so let's get into this. I did switch. Okay, I was looking at this morning. It's already doing its negative. It's already doing its pull down. Okay, you guys want to know what it's going to be like, don't you? First question, probably. You're going to want to know. Well, I haven't had a chance to look at this. Oh, yeah. Oh, really? Okay, so let's jump in here and have a look-ski. She's losing steam already. But it means nothing behind after hours. So, yeah, we're going to be loading up. Looks like. Yeah, I'm waiting a little bit longer. I was going to purchase last week, but I just seen signs that I'm glad I didn't because you can buy more shares, right? It is what it is. And it doesn't really matter to me. But in these levels, I just want to explain one thing, Wolfpack. In these levels right now, anything from this level down, excuse me, this stock trades all day long. Okay. Pull COVID out of the equation. Go back and do your 5-year pullback. Okay. You'd be amazed what you see. Okay. What was this? Where? What, Mr. L, what do you got going on here? Explains on how to use the TD SQL indicator. Okay, I'm not going to do that right now, brother, but I will. I'll do that on the server. I'm just because I've already got my material for the day and I don't want to just start. Okay, I can do that for sure. I can do that. Mr. L, can you drop me a message up in my box and just remind me? And what I'll do is I'll do it. I'll make some material and I'll bring it on. I want to have a diagram to show you. Okay. It just makes it easier instead of explaining stuff. I've noticed it's just easier because when you talk, it can be taken in different ways. I don't want to have any thing that can be taken altered because this you gotta know this like direct. Okay, it's one of those things. Okay, brother. Thank you, and thanks for asking about that stuff. How do we use the numbers? Okay, yeah, I'll get to that, Mr. L. Just awesome questions, man. I love it. I love it. Good. You guys sound like you're learning some stuff because you wouldn't be asking that question unless you're learning. Okay, so let's have a look across the market here. Yeah, it's red again. Oh, I didn't. Oh, yeah, you guys probably posted the link on the server already, right? I kind of didn't do that yet. Duke. Damn. Yeah, this is definitely a market slide here. What's today? Wednesday? Today's one of the. Yeah, I don't know. Wednesday's a hit and miss. Definitely Fridays are. I don't Mondays and Fridays. I don't. Tendy, what's up, bro? Another YouTube creator here. Go show him some love on his channel. Right on, right on, right on. How's things been going, man? I haven't seen you in a while. You've been working, eh? I was just over. Actually, I was over last night. I was out watching some news before I went and laid down last night. And you popped up on my feed last night. A short podcast. So go check his content out. It's actually cool. Some of the stuff he talks about and stuff. I like Tandy because um, he doesn't piggyback other creators. Okay, so there's a lot of that stuff that happens, and it is what it is, right? It's just when people are starving for content. When a creator covers something, this is what I do. I don't know. Everybody's different. I can leave it alone, right? Unless there's an error on it, right? Which happens, right? They've covered it, right? So just move on. So find your own something else. There's tons of stuff you can cover, right? So yeah, he's really good like that. So if you go check his content out, it's always something different on there. That's all I'm saying. Boston Strong, what's up, brother? I did send you a message. I did send you a message, buddy. Yeah, that's cool. I'm gonna have to think about some stuff there. I'll talk to you about it on the server though, just because I'm in the middle of the thing here. But I just wanted to make sure. I just wanted to tell you that I did acknowledge it. Okay, buddy. Okay, so the heat map is showing this morning that it's it's not doing good as usual. Like I said, we're gonna have our ups and downs on some of these, mostly these pharma stocks and stuff. Everything's in the green, but barely. Too full. The energy sector is doing all right, though. It's doing actually pretty good. But we'll see how that is when the market opens, though. Yeah, we'll have a look. Wow. Yeah, a lot of people had. So if you're seeing in your portfolio, I just want to talk about something because it's if you see in your portfolio that, and a lot are, that you're like down large. And we're not talking AMC or GME or any stocks like that. Okay, we're not talking about the ones like that. We're talking about the blue chip stocks, anything like that that's down. Okay, those are the stocks that we're told to invest in ever since we're young. Okay, that's all you hear about is Facebook, Apple, all of those big companies. Okay, Tesla, things like that, right? Those big companies. And they're seeing a low now, a kick down. Okay. So you're seeing your portfolio hitting these ultimate lows. Just be prepared. This is nothing. Okay. It's going to go lower, but it's giving everybody, it's like I said before, it's a reset button. Okay. On the economy, it's going to get to a point and you're going to be like, holy crow. Okay. So I said it before, like probably about 6 months ago. I said, you got to make a decision what you're going to do. Okay. We're going to be hitting, I can see signs of a market slide. Okay. Either liquidate. Okay. Or hold long, but real long. It could be a couple of years. Okay. Or if you're holding your position and you're right into this stock and you like it, right? Just hold it. There's nothing wrong with that. Support the company. So the other thing is if you're really into these companies and you do have extra money or you come across anything, add to your position at the lower level. It pulls the number down your overall position. Okay. You just add it and you just make yourself more money. Okay. In the long run, it'll take a while to stabilize, but usually after a collapse, it's a slow gain. And then we have a huge rock up on the, like it'll start getting speed. And then about 3/4 through, you'll have like a huge kick. Okay. So that's when the economy stabilizes, it usually goes better. Okay. That's what it is. See, when there's more people, yeah, you've seen it with the real estate and you've seen it all kick up. Okay. We have these ultimate highs across, especially up in Canada. These houses are way overpriced. Like every house on my road is like $1 million plus now. These houses you could buy for like 500-600 grand. like probably like 4 or 5 years ago. It's crazy stuff. Like even my house is like worth a fortune now, right? I bought it at 180, right? It's worth large now, and that was only 4 years ago. I've tripled my money, right? Not that I would ever sell, but it is what it is, right? I don't want it to go up because I pay more taxes on it, right? I don't. It just see that's the thing, that there's a false image there. Or he's like, oh, my house is worth this. Well, that's nice. That's cool. Well, sell it then. Go make some money. Well, I can't buy another house if I sell it because they're all expensive. Exactly. And then the other thing is now you're paying double the taxes when it goes up 3 times as much, right? So you know that, right? It's like a false thing. It's like, oh, my house, it's not worth. I know your house is worth maybe $1 million or 2 million, but it's not doing you any good. It's actually draining money out of you, right? So I just wanted to clarify it. That's how the system works. It's false. It's false. It's false, right? How it's set up, the belief, like in what you're looking at. The only thing that is good for is you can leverage against it and like buy something and you can capitalize on it. I'm not going to get right into that because you got to watch what you're doing on that because the interest rates are going to be going up. So that's another thing. These interest rates have been ultimate low. People are going to start losing houses and stuff. You're going to see that. You're going to see a lot of foreclosures start happening. It happens. It does. It's happened since the beginning of time. Okay. So it just goes in cycles. It's called over leveraging. And that's something I'm really good at showing you how not to do it. Okay. Yeah. It's just something that I've learned over the years and I've watched around me. There's ways to avoid that. Okay. Yeah. Just one of them is not taking loans out, and if you're going to take loans out, there's places to go to get that stuff that you can lock in. Okay. And you can make a game plan, like the 5-year plan, and you can have stuff paid off, right? Instead of waiting and piggybacking your mortgage on your house, things go up. Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. So let's get into that. Okay, we're going to go back here. Here we go. We've got a couple minutes before market opens. We'll see what happens here. Okay, where is AMC? I'm just going to alter. Oh, coffee break. I got 9 free ADT stocks for deposit. Oh, right on. JP, did you get that through? Oh, oh, thanks, buddy. Yeah, thanks, man. That's why I try to do that. I'm glad you guys see that. Okay, like there's a reason why I do that, Warren, is because on some of these like Bloomingburg and these big channels, like the average person is lost when they're like listening to this stuff. You gotta keep in mind that all of these things, like all of them almost, if you see it on the news or a pop-up article, buy this crypto, and you're like, I haven't even heard of this stuff. Or you'll like buy into this company, this not HYMC, buy into this gold mine up in Alaska or something like that. Okay. You've never heard of this gold mine before. You look into it, it's doing all right. But it's doing this big expansion. This big expansion's coming up. They have all this gold in the ground. That's the stuff you got to watch out for. Okay. It's unforeseen stuff. Where are the core samples? Where's the proof? There's nothing there. Okay. So what these people get buying into this stuff and you just lose all your money. Okay. There's a lot of that going on. Okay. And that's what I'm really, really good at spotting. Okay. Especially when it comes to like mines or mills or gas plants or anything for expansion on that. Send me the stuff and I'll look into it for you. So many people get burned with that. It happens even up in here in Canada. We got a mine opening up. I know a couple tickers, some things are going on the market probably in the next 3 weeks. Some big time projects. Okay. Yes, I have inside information. No, I'm not going to share it with you. And no, I'm not going to join it because I know that they're going to come in at a high price and it's going to bleed. I'm going to show you an example. After this, I'm going to show you a company called Loop Energy. It's a hydro fuel company. It's in Chilliwack. It's down, and I'll show you what happened to them. And this is constant. Okay, stay away from those companies that just get in, because they list at a price that is usually higher than what the market. The market will always find you the price. Any of these owners, you can't tell the market, I want this for a price on your stock. It doesn't work like that. Okay, and I just want people to know that the market will find you the price. Okay, so let's wait one more minute. We're gonna probably see a pull down on this. Definitely, I can see it right now. So I've already talked about this. If you're watching my channel, you already know about all this stuff. That I go through this stuff. I try to be really transparent with you guys on stuff. So what is it at right now? It's gone down. I was talking about this when it was at 20, 24, 25 bucks. I already knew that. A lot of people are saying, no, it's going to go up. It's going to go up. Look at this. Look at this. I'm like, yeah, it's not going up. But it is what it is, right? I'm not going to sit here and argue with other people in the market, right? I just do my own thing. If you follow me and you watch, well, I guess you're going to get some good info, right? But I can't control that. I'm not going to sit out there and argue with people. I just do my own thing, right? When it comes to that, the one thing you can't predict this into like weeks to months. There's no way you can do that. There's no way. So you can see this go up. It could go up. It could go down and then go up a bit and stabilize. So we got to wait about an hour, half an hour to get a correct reading on this because of those zero commission apps. See, a lot of people are adding into it right now. I'm just telling you that right now on the stock. AMC. I'm watching a bunch of them right now. So the reason why I'm just on AMC, I'm not jumping around, is I'm watching my stock screen right now. I got the ones I'm looking at right now in front of me. There we go. There's going to be people buying in on this for sure. Where is it? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is right there. So we'll wait for these all these apps to dump their shares, and then we'll see what happens. But to get a false reading, coming out of the gate like this, don't buy stocks. You don't buy first thing in the morning on something like this. Okay, something you're holding long or anything like that, it's the worst thing to do, and you've probably been stung before like that. It's not good practice. Okay, unless you're doing a day trade and you got to look at the volume. Okay, there was no volume here. Like, look at the volume on that. You can't do it on day AMC. You don't swing trade AMC. It's the stupidest thing I've ever heard of. It's a long play. So I just wanted to say, see there it goes. There it goes. See, I won't lie to you guys, right? I'll tell you exactly what I see. Even if I'm in on a company and I want it pumped and you guys don't buy it, there's people that do that. There's people that will tell you about a stock that they're in on. They'll be like, guys, get into this stock. It's awesome. Because they want that. They're pulling a hedge fund move on you. That's what hedge funds do. They'll pump. There you guys go. See? Look at that. Look at that. TTM squeeze chart 20 is pulling a negative pull hard down right now. Come on, I want this to go down. Keep on going. Go down like $15 today. 15.50, 15.75 would be perfect. Then the next day down to like 13, 12. Then 12, about 11, 12. I shouldn't go any lower than that. I wanted to. Damn rights I wanted to. I want all you guys to be able to load up. Add more to your positions. Make it more. Make it more. Keep on loading. Right? Because I keep on saying this, and can't be any more clear on this. It doesn't matter the level it's at. That's just eye candy. I call it eye candy. Looking at your phone, seeing these big numbers means shit until you cash it out. It means nothing. Nothing. Okay? I'm on the 5 right now. I'll put it on the 1. Yeah, there you go. She's on her way down. So, I want this to drop, right? Experienced traders do. Okay. We want this to drop down because it means nothing. Now we're at 2%. There she goes. She's going to be down to 16. I've told you guys this days ago. Okay. It's going to drop for a little bit. It's following the market. Probably have it. Well, it's probably going to stabilize in a bit here, and I'll go up here and I'll do some consolidation, and then I'll find it's low. So what it is, oops, I'm going to go to the comments here. I'm not sticking them. I'm freaking see the smart people. Look at all those experienced traders on here. I'm loading up. Yes, good. Yeah, right. Because it's just making it doesn't matter what level it's at. Nothing will stop this when it goes. It'll go bang, and she'll just go right up, and then we'll be into a short squeeze, right? Just like that. It's that simple. Everybody's putting too much into this. It's very simple what happens in a short squeeze. There's nothing really to it. Okay. I'm telling you right now, when she snaps, the band snaps because it's so tight, it will friggin' rocket. Okay. There won't be anything to stop it. Okay. We're going to have her ups and lows, like up like this, and then consolidate, and then she's going to go up. But once it goes, it goes. Like I said, the lower it goes, the safer we are. If we were sitting about the $60, $80 range and it was screwing around there, I'd be a little bit worried that some of these people are in these big institutions are going to close their positions because their freaking economy's going bad. Okay. They're not doing good. If we're not doing good, they're not doing good. Guaranteed they're losing money. Okay. Not right now. They're not. Their positions are looking like yours on your phone. Okay. So I've explained it before. The bigger companies, they are tied into multiple companies. They don't dump all at once. Okay. It doesn't happen like that. Okay. I'm just telling you right now, it doesn't. If anybody's telling you they're full of shit, okay, they don't know what the fuck they're talking about. So yeah, because I've showed you guys the documents, how FCC, how they have to monitor everything, right? I've showed you openly on here, and I've explained it to a lot of the traders on my channel know what we're talking about. Ma, what's up? See if Ma knows. Look at this. Ma even knows. There you go. That's coming from Ma, right? She's smart. She knows. Good morning, Ma. Froggy. There, Froggy even says the same thing. See, I was on Froggy's, we were on his channel last night, and I even said it was going to go down last night. Right? I've been saying that for days. I said, get ready. She's going to go. And this goes for all of these. I would stay the hell out of this right now. This right here, I'd stay with a 20-foot pole. This HYMC, a lot of people losing money right now on this. A lot of people. Look at this. Oh, Froggy, it did it. It did it again. Look at this gap. Oh, no, I see the wick. This thing is weird, man. I don't like this stock. It's just weird. Like, fuck. It's very scary. Very scary. Paired? Are we piggyback? We're piggybacking on a channel right now. Paired? So there's a channel that's going to, one of the creators is going to come on this morning, and I don't know who it is. I don't know who, because I did that. I just sent it out to a bunch of people. That's what we're doing. We're just going to do this. So I can tell that there's somebody else that's logged on with us because it says paired here. I don't know if you guys can see that. You probably can't. Michelle Dixon, don't say who the creator is because you know you're on their channel. We're going to leave it as a surprise, okay? We're gonna leave it on the channel. I don't know who it is because I can't tell. So it's a surprise, right? So what I've done is sent it out to lots of people. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. So I don't even know who's coming on this morning. I don't. I just know the time that they'll come up on the board in the studio. I can see them up on the left side come in the studio. My screen is bloop, like that. So we'll see. We'll see. So anyways, yeah, my friends, I just wanted to get into that. Okay. Let's jump off of this one because this one I don't whatever. I do it. The bottom isn't set up yet. Yeah, I know. Froggy, I didn't see. She's gonna keep on going, eh? I see. I wish I had his charts in front of me. He does different. He does different charts than me. I'm more like in the moment, and I look over the overall. We're totally different. Everybody has different ways of doing things, and that's the beautiful thing. When you come together and you talk about stuff, it just awesome things happen, right? So we got a good group here, like definitely a good group of traders. And we've all found each other from different areas. We're all from different parts of the world. It's kind of cool. So I'm on the 5. I'm gonna go to the 1. I like to be like right on it with the 1. Some people like the 5. Where's a good for mediocre? Miss Harris. I don't have creators on until the show starts. Because I like to go into do my stuff. Um, it's just easier on me, and it's easier to set stuff up. I like to get set up because what happens is we fire up, and then if my computer or something and I'm late or something like that, what happens is I have them waiting here, and then I got to set up all my links, right? All my links and stuff like that too, because we're on six different places now. We're streaming live to, not just on YouTube. We're all over. So what happens is I have to set all that stuff up, and if yeah, so yeah, this goes up to everybody, just so you guys know. So yeah, I just sit here and get it all set up and hang with you guys, and then the day starts. Okay, what's this? What do you, Christy? That's funny. I just, you're friggin' hilarious. Oh man, I got the best mods, man. I swear, I love them. They're my family. What do you think the best app for trading? Ha, that's a broad top. It depends on what you're trading. Is the question. Um, App like as on a phone, or are you using, of course, app? Are you using a PC, or are you using, because that makes a difference too. For trading, okay, I'm gonna go through this here. Not a problem. Okay, if you're using, see, I'm different because I watch and study algorithms and stuff like that, and I like to like be in it, like actually feel like I'm touching the stock and stuff like that. Like I like to be in it, right? Um, but for buying, I use I use a bank for sure. I stay away from these zero commission platforms. I don't trust them. This is just me. I'm speaking about me. I've seen a lot of issues with that stuff. They don't pass a stress test. A lot of them failed. A stress test is when the economy goes down, or things go into a short squeeze or something like that. Things go into a gamma, and it snaps in a short squeeze, and they have liquidity problems. Right? They're too volatile. So that's a stress test. If you guys ever hear me do it, that's what they call it. That's what the name is called. So a lot of these things won't. I can tell by looking at them they won't pass the stress test. And it's some of the brokers you guys are in. I'm not going to mention them because you guys should do your own info on that, right? So I already know what I'm in. I'm good, right? So I've explained the basics of it. It's just I'm not going to sit here and do put fear monger, okay? But I will tell you what I use, okay? And I'm not saying I don't get commission kickbacks from any of this stuff, okay? So yeah, it is what it is. There we go. There we go. Remember I said this morning it's going to come down, it's going to sit up, and it's going to start it's going to find its area and start trading, okay? See? And I didn't even pull any chart technicals on that. Okay. I know this stock pretty good, right? Um it is what it is. It's got to consolidate to get some more volume. Yeah, it's starting to get a little bit. It's got to build steam up. Like we got a huge resistance line here. So I'm just thinking. I'm actually thinking about your question still. I'm waiting for you to put it to ask me what your phone. Okay, there you go. I was waiting for that because I didn't want to go any further because it makes a big one. Okay, on the phone, and I'm gonna say if you're not trading on the phone and you're just like basically if you're buying stock on a phone, okay, I'm in Canada and you're probably in the States, I'm assuming, because about 70% of the people on my channel are. Okay, in the state, most of the people use Fidelity and that kind of stuff, okay? TD Trade, Okay, is another good one. People are kind of on that one, but they're pretty big. Okay, they got a lot of money. I would watch the zero commission. That's all over the world on the zero commission platforms because a lot of them are newer. Okay, and they haven't gone through a stress test yet. Okay, on the economy, they haven't had the opportunity to. Okay, so what I would do is my bigger trades. I'm just going to speak for myself, right? I use TD. TD Amtrade and TD Canada are totally different. Okay, I used it. It's $10 a trade, $10 to buy, $10 to sell. Okay, I don't care about the price because it's about safety and it's about insurance on that stuff, right? So I don't buy little chunks of stocks. Like I don't buy one here, two there. I don't do that. I wait and buy like minimal 1,000, maximum 20,000. Okay, I buy big chunks, and you guys have seen me do it live. That's all I do, right? So the reason why I'm taking on, I want to explain this to you. So that's what I do, and you can make your decision on that. If you're selling your stocks, say when it's short squeeze, okay. Rule number one: use the same app that you bought your shares in. Okay. Don't use, like, for instance, TD Amtrade, their stock screener. Okay. And then you're trading on Fidelity. You will screw yourself. Okay. You're gonna lose, you're gonna lose a lot of money, or it's more like lose. I'm saying you can gain on the opposite side, depends, because it's gonna be out of sync. Okay. Make sure that your platform is not a 15-minute lag time. Make sure it's real time with the market. Okay, if you're using a cell phone, there's such thing as definitely cell phone lag, 100%, because of the data pings, the ping rate off the towers and where you're getting your data from. So that's technical. It's called technical delay of a ping. Okay, so every time it pings off of, yeah, and Webull to look up stuff. Yes, I use Webull for that. I use Webull for this. I don't buy shares through Webull, and I wouldn't. And they have a good promotion on right now. I would stay the hell out of it. Okay, I'm just telling you right now. I use TD Amtrade. There you go. You're good. You're good. You're good. I know it's expensive to buy in, but yeah, right. So that is one of like Mr. L saying, that's, we have a whole bunch of squeeze tools on like our channel. That's what we base everything around. So that is one of the things that is in our squeeze tool technicals, is to make sure about the stock screeners. We have certain stock screeners for that. I use this because the algorithm, it reads it perfect. It's probably one of the best out there. That's why I use it. Okay. But I don't buy anything through it. And my friends, if you own through, another one to stay away from is Moo Moo. Okay, stay the hell out of that stuff. That's another one that hasn't been stress tested. Okay, I'm just telling you right now, a lot of these people are pushing this Moo Moo thing. It's junk. Okay, I'm telling you right now. Watch when it goes into, has problems. There we go. So it's going to consolidate and then go up. Right? It has to. Every stock does that. It has to consolidate and get steam. There you guys go. There you guys. Can't say it any clearer than that. So, and then it'll go up a bit, and it has to consolidate to get to the next level. We have a resistance point here, a huge one. I'm gonna do it. And like I got these from a year and a half ago. There we go. Boom, boom. It's up 2%. She's gonna have a retracement though. It'll have problems punching through this level. It's gonna have a pullback a bit. I think it is at that level. Yeah, here she's gonna pull back. Watch this. There you go. There's a resistant $19 resistance line. Okay, so I'm going to put it on up here. Bang. There it is. See how it hit that line? You're like, how the fuck did he know that? Because I've been doing trading for a little bit. So these are lines right here. This is the 30. That's when it was up 30. It cracked. It just touched that and went back down. These lines are like from like almost 2 years old. Okay, I haven't put any new ones in because they don't change. See, there's another line right there. This is stuck in this channel. Okay, it'll take a long time to punch through the 19 again. So there's actually another line in here. I took it off for a reason, because I'm trying to reposition it. I can actually tell it's right here. Actually, I'm going to put it in there. I'm going to do it right now. There's a line right here. Oh, shit. I can tell by looking at it. I've been doing this a long time, right? There's a line right there. That's a resistance. Support. Oh, it's a resistance now. It will be a support. It will be a support. Okay. I'll take all the free stocks I can get. Yeah, that's the thing. If these zero commission platforms like Moon, they're offering, and Webull are offering these big stocks and stuff like that. So what you do, fucking take them. But when the squeeze happens, you sell those first. Webull, Moo. I don't even trust giving my them to those guys. I'd stay away from Moo. Like I would. They're too new. There's nothing good about them, right? So, people that push those stocks are getting a kickback, guaranteed 100%. Okay. They have a code. So if you put the code in, I get those all the time. Okay. All the time. I don't push that shit, right? I don't set you guys up for failure. Okay. It's just that's what they get, this code that if you ask friends and stuff like that, you get a whack of stocks. If you hook up a bunch of people, okay, watch out for those people. Okay. Okay. Oops. And I don't push certain things. What do you think about certain fluids? I don't. I just made it, Michelle. I just made a video on it. I don't agree on it. It's actually it could hurt AMC. Depends on what you're buying. For a stock squeeze, like if it's anything else, of course, yeah. But if it's a short squeeze position, like a short squeeze stock, no, it doesn't do any good. Because there's a video on it. That's a big topic. I made a video on it. If you go back in my videos, it's the last one, I think, besides the collabing I do. Okay. So anyways, I'm going to go back to this. I'm going to get into some other stocks here. This pharma one's up right now. It's almost in a rip. There it is. Consolidation right there. She's going to pump up another level here. She's going to do a little bit of red here and she's going to crank up. I can tell by these stocks. There's three soldiers or three crows right there. So this is a bullish sign right here. Okay. This is going to kick. Here it goes. See, I can tell by looking at these candles. There she goes. It just went from 7 up to 9, just like that. Before I said that, there it goes. 10. See, knowing what the symbols and things are make a big difference. For there's at 10 now %. It went from 7 to 10 just by looking at these candles right here. I don't know what it's going to go. Nobody in the world knows how high this is going to go. I'm just telling you right now. But it's having a pullback. That's what that is. The wick. It's a retracing. Okay. Excuse me. You got to know that stuff. Okay. If you're going to do day trading. Okay. It's having problems right now. It's trying to find its realm. It's trying to find its area to lock in. So we got another couple seconds. It's probably going to have a red after this. See? Might lock in on a green, but it's gonna take a while. It has to do consolidation right now. And if it locks in on a green and then the next one's a red, it's gonna go down. Okay, that's 3 soldiers. That's a sign of going down. That's a bearish sign. Okay. So let's jump onto some other stuff here. Let's call. So there you go, Mrs. Dixon, and it was nice to meet you. So yeah, just go watch that. Oh, GP, that's funny. I knew that they were giving away stocks. I knew it. By the way, that everybody was asking about this for the last couple of 15 stocks. If I refer one person, see, I knew it, brother. So refer somebody. I can't, or else I would. Do you know what I would do? I would do it. Okay. Not like if it was JP, like I can't do it. I'm a Canadian, but I wouldn't push that. Like I won't go on here and, hey, bye. No. I would stay the hell out of those companies. If I was to buy, like, say, a couple $1,000, I would not buy it through them. But if they're offering 15 stocks, it's not of your choice though, is it? I bet you it's not. You're probably going to get, because do you know why? They have a whole bunch of shit. Sorry, Ma. They have a whole bunch of blood coin on there. Sorry, Ma. They have a bunch of blood coins on there that they just listed. Okay. What they are, the junk crypto. Okay. They're nothing. They're junk. Okay. That's what they're probably going to give you. But it's free, right? So if that's the case with that stuff, sell those first in a short squeeze. If it is a short squeeze that they give you, but I doubt they're going to give AMC away. But I'm just telling you that stuff. See? So here we go. There we go. I just want to go back to this one. Okay, we're back looking at this. Remember that big candle right here? I said it was going to have a red. Remember I said it was right here? We had the 3. Okay, I'm trying to teach you, friend, you guys something here. Because I know a lot of you are interested in this stuff. Okay, we had the 3 crows, which is a bullish sign. Okay. We have the 3, we have one here, it goes up big, but it had a pullback. So it's having issues trying to lock and load, I call it. Okay. That means that it's going to have, if this is here, it's going to be a red. Okay. Because it had such a pullback. Okay. If it was a solid body and it didn't have a retracement on it, like no wick, it would have gone farther. It would have gone up potentially 2 more, 1 more for sure. Now, and then I knew this was going to be a red, right? It was running out of steam. So that's consolidation. Okay. So it got enough on this one because we had the pullback. So if it was a full one here, it would have been another red beside it, most likely. Okay. So there you guys go. That's a little bit of day trading for you. I'm not going to go any further than that because you're almost all lost right now anyways. And I'm not day trading right now because, I was going to set up some schooling classes. I'm still working on some videos and stuff for it, but a lot of you, and I don't want to get you guys on the channel thinking that you're going to be losing money and all this stuff if you're not in day trading class. A lot of us don't have money right now, okay? And I'm just speaking, I know that. And I don't want to put you guys and ladies into a hard spot thinking you're going to miss out on this classes. I'm going to do some stuff. It's just that I want you guys to add your positions on AMC, okay? I want you guys to be really well off. I'm okay, right? The short squeeze is what it is. If it happens, it happens. It is going to happen. I'm just saying for me. If I wasn't in AMC, it's not the end of the world. It's friggin' awesome that I am, right? I'm already set up for life, okay? You guys all know that, okay? And I'm here to help you guys on that, and ladies, okay? I know a lot of stuff when it comes to financial stuff, not just in stocks, okay? I hang out with people that know more, that are smarter than me. Okay. I learned some stuff over the years. Okay. Some really good knowledge that just doesn't happen. Right. Knowledge is power and success. Okay. And once you figure that out, your life will be pretty good. Okay. So this is going to go, if this locks in red, it's going to go down potentially. Because this is 3 soldiers. Red here. It has to be red. So if you see this sign, this will be red. Okay. There you guys go. There's your lesson for the day. Sorry. So yeah, I just wanted to say that because I love you guys. The ADT. So yeah, if you do want part of this, JP, do you have that on your site there, bud, about that thing? I'm older than Cam. Yeah, he is too, and he's a war vet. Warren's one of our. We got a bunch of war vets on our channel, which I love you guys, man. Yeah. Oh yeah. He's like Warren's my uncle. Uncle Warren. He's my favorite uncle. Yeah. No, I'm. If you don't know, we're all family on the channel. Like it's something beautiful. I never meant it to be like this. We just all became good friends, right? And yeah. And as you know, there you go. I wasn't even looking at this. See, I don't even need to look. If I see the candles, I already know what it's going to do. So let's have a look at some other stuff. I just want to go through that little lesson there for you, my friends, because I could see this stock. I could see it having potential. Okay, this one, I'm going to jump on some ore here. And then what are we going to... Okay, I just want to be very clear on this. This one right here. Oh, look at that. I love that. Look at that algorithm. That's beautiful. I'm not talking about the price. That's the algorithm curvature of an algorithm. Okay. I don't give a shit what anybody says on this planet about it. I've been studying this stuff for a long time. Okay. Like I don't go against other people like that. They can do whatever they want. Right. I already make tons of money on this stuff. Right. So it is what it is. On the short squeeze, I already know what's going to happen. I already know. As soon as I look at that day to see what that algorithm is working, I already have my plan. There's only two. And people are saying that every stock has their own algorithm. They don't know what they're talking about. Just telling you right now. I would stay away from those people. Just because if they're telling you that, they don't know. They don't know what they're talking about. And and if they do, I want to see that there's no proof, right? Every stock doesn't have their own algorithm. That means that the company's a company. Okay, they don't make algorithms. Okay, I'm telling you right now, it doesn't. It's just not that anybody said that. I'm just saying that in general, right? I'm just saying that just in I got that in a message the other day. So I just want to be very clear that there's a lot of people that will make stuff up to get content viewers. Okay. And I don't believe in that. That's something that really upsets me. If you're going to talk about stuff, then have the information to back it. Okay. So yeah, that's that curvature. It's perfect. This is what we want in the squeeze. Okay. This curvature algorithm is a mellow one. This is what we want, right? Not saying there it is right again, right there. Okay. See that curvature? That's a mellow algorithm. Okay. I'm going to show you another one. The sharp diagonal ones are violent. They're not good. They're really hard. They kick breakers. Woohoo! Ooh, this is dying the stock. Holy crow. Alter. Oh, it's the other one I'm looking for. It's without the L. Yeah, that one always messes up. Oh, close having a little bit of a go. A little bit. I'm gonna look up this stock here because this one's been on the short squeeze list. I got another email from this. It's people are pumping this, not you guys. People are pumping this stock, and it's no good. Okay, there's nothing gonna happen. I got the short squeeze list on it, and it's not even high. It's impossible to go into a short squeeze at that level. It is right here. It's not going to do anything. That's sharp. That's a sharp algorithm right there, but it's curvature. So no, it's curvature. Yeah. So this thing has been on everywhere, social media, everywhere. I'm telling you. Okay, it's everybody's saying it's going to short squeeze. It will not short squeeze. It does not meet the criteria for a short squeeze. I'm telling you right now. It doesn't. It won't happen. Okay, I'm telling you. I've had my indicators on this for some reason. Yeah. So it's probably gonna tap off this. So it's gonna hit. That's the low. That's his support level. I've been watching this for a long time. They've said this was gonna short squeeze a long time ago. Like last year. Okay, and it didn't. And it's the short here. I'm gonna check the short of interest on this. I'm gonna check our short squeeze list. Give me a second on this, and I'm gonna make sure. I'm just gonna let you guys put some. I'm just going off on my own little flow this morning because you guys haven't asked for anything. You guys are being easy on me this morning. You're not picking my brain, so I'm just going off. I'm just trying to. Today, I'm just teaching. Some days I just teach stuff. Some days, I. Thanks, Christy. And yes, this is it. This is the main list right here. I'll read it up. CS trades, Wolfpack, stock squeeze specialist, and post squeeze investments. Pack helps you to get set up to speed and after squeeze, which we do. We can set day trading options. Yeah. So what it is what she's talking about is beginning a squeeze, post right now. We have a whole bunch of stuff that will set you up. Okay, we have like I was talking about, we have our server, our own server. Forget about YouTube and all this stuff. It is what it is. We have better stuff than YouTube does. Okay, so we have our own private network server, and there's almost a lot of people are on that already. It's just our little baby, but it's going to grow huge. Okay, not talking with people. I'm talking about what we're going to be doing on it. Okay, we got some people working on software right now, and yeah, it is what it is. It's in development right now. We've already got the base set. We're ready for the short squeeze on there for sure. We could hit the short squeeze if we hit today. We're already loaded. We're already ready on our server to go. We can pull. We got stock screeners we can pull on there. We can pull up anything on there. I'm gonna be on there, and we can talk about anything. Don't need to watch about what I'm talking about because of YouTube. It's sky is the limit on there. Okay, so the other thing is afterwards, like the fire pull down sale, we do have. I'm going to be entering into people that make 100,000 within 5 years. You can be a millionaire. Okay, I can show you that stuff. It's so easy with the basic math. Okay, and I can show you live all that stuff. I've done it. All my mods and my family knows. They already know, right? I've showed them everything like that. Okay, yeah, and you guys know. Like I've showed you what stocks I'm into and how they work. I'm with dividend stocks is the way. Yeah, I'm not going to get into that, but like that is the future. You will set yourself up so good. A dividend stock, if you buy into it and you just leave it there, it manifests into a beautiful thing. It just compound interest, and it goes up. It's something. Okay, you know when you pay a mortgage on your house, it's like, damn it, I never pay that thing down. I paid on it for 10 years and it went down like this much, and you're like, shit, right? Okay, that's compound interest against you though. Now the other way around, now you're the bank, okay? So you look in your account, instead of like it never goes down 10 years, 5-10 years, holy crow, it's gone up that much because you're the bank. And it just keeps on doing that. Okay? And it's what you do is you just keep on adding into your position. It's easy to do. Forget about putting your money into a savings account and letting it sit there. That's one of the worst things to do. Okay. And doing, I don't believe in RSPs. That's up in Canada. I don't know if we have that in the States. Registered tax, registered, say, I don't believe in that stuff. It's just not, it doesn't work. Unless you're using it to buy a business or something, there's ways that it will work, but it doesn't work for a good retirement. I don't care what anybody says. I'm allowed up to $250,000 worth of RSPs right now. I've not bought one in my life. They keep on giving, it goes up every year. Most people will buy those to buy a house. I didn't. My house, I put 24% down, so I didn't pay that tax, that one tax that we have in Canada, 3% hidden tax. And then in 3 years, I paid my house off. 3 years. Okay. So, and there's ways to do it. Okie doke, doke, doke. I just want to say one thing on that, though. Depends on what the economy is doing. It might take longer, okay? Because I'm very truthful and stuff like that. That might take longer, though, on an economy like this, okay? And I also got the interest rates really low, so it could take longer. Larry, whoa, man. Okay, I just joined the Wolf Pack. There you go, bro. Yeah, you got full access to the server now, brother. And welcome, my friend. Be prepared for like you're probably gonna. I'm just giving you a warning. People are really nice on there, so you're gonna be in like it's like they roll a red carpet out for you. You're being treated like gold in that server. Okay, it's different. You're now a family member. Okay, so hi, Uncle Larry. I'm Cameron. That's how it is. Watch when you get in there. Okay, it's different. Okay, you're and that's not. It's just the way it is. I've never even. I don't know. It's just like that. Just we're all family in there, right? And we all do things together. If somebody's having issues, we go help the person. Okay, that's how it is. It's something that I've never seen anything like it before, and I didn't know this was going to happen. I didn't. The people gravitate towards each other. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, my friends, I'm gonna get on to something else. I'm just putting this up so the mods can see it. I don't deal with that stuff. That is, um, how do you get that? Sir, is I do want to say, Carlos. Did you? Is he? You guys will know if he's packing a wolf emoji, right? Yeah, I'll let you guys. I don't. That's still the security department. The mods, I don't even deal with. They do their own thing. Like they have their own thing, right? I'm just the creator. Like all this is built by you guys. This channel, okay, all of it. Everything's been built by you guys. I'm just creating the content. Ask the mods. They do all of this. They tell me what they want. Um, they like the software. They like this software. They purchased it. The channel bought all this stuff. Okay, I don't. They want this. They're like, hey, this software is good. We've seen this stuff. Can you get it? Yeah, I can get it. And then all of a sudden, I'm like, well, it's about this much for the year. And all of a sudden, yeah, all of a sudden, bang! The next day. I was like, all this stuff, money coming in. I'm like, holy crow! They're like, is that enough for a year? I'm like, holy wow! It just, and that's how it is. Like, I'm just telling you guys honestly how it is. Like, it's just, it is what it is. I love you guys, and I'll keep on producing what I can. There we go. We're having this up. Pull back to 18. 18. There we go. Look at this up pull right there. I had to consolidate. It did it. 3 right there. 3. There's your bullish sign right there. Whoops. There's your bullish sign right there. Bam. There's another one. That's why it went up. If there's another 3 here, it'll go up. That's what I said. First thing in the morning, if we're going to get a 3 here, the stock's going to go down. And it didn't. It didn't. Okay. We didn't get a 3 here. Okay. We got 2. So that means it's going to go up. Okay. We got, and if it keeps on doing that, those are bullish signs. The other way is bearish. It'll go down. Okay. So it's all on these candles. It's telling you right there. There you go. So that's what I said first thing in the morning. I said, oh, it says I don't do the weekly or the like days. I do right in the moment. Okay. So right. Yeah, that's why I called these up all the way. When I see these candles, I'm like, okay, it's going to go up. And I go to this. We just got to halt, guys. Holy shit. Okay. What did that halt at? I love this. This is what I look forward to. This is our stuff. This is what we are good at. This right here. One candle, bango schwango. That went up in 1 minute. How much? That's $1 million something. It has to be. No. Oh, that's low vol. It's not even telling me what the volume is. It's because it's locked. They're investigating that right now. It looks like it's under a volatility halt, so they won't give you the numbers on it because I don't think. Or actually, no. Oh, this is a low stall. I know why this halted. Because look at the numbers here. And then we had a huge 90. Somebody dumped a bunch of shares in here, like just boom. So this was set up. This is a setup here for sure, 100%. The algorithm was not ready for this. It was too cold. It was too cold. The vibrations were too slow when they dumped this into there. So what happens is it kicks it. Okay. They're cold. They're cold. Like the vibrations are slow moving on the algorithm. And then somebody dumped, so it went like this, snap. It just went whang, and it just kicks it. It's all in the kick of the algorithm. That's why I'm saying that I need to know what it is. Jeffrey, it is BFRI. Okay, and it just came up on my list on the left side. I'm not into this, but it's a bio. Any of these bio stocks you got to watch out for. They're scary. So what you're going to have, this thing's probably going to rock now, because now everybody in the world that is doing this has got a notification. This thing's going to probably just go nuts today. Okay. Because now it's attracted people. They're like, holy shit, that thing halted. It was a dead stock. It's dead. It's friggin' dead. There's no volume. Like, look at this. There are hundreds, 20 shares sold on this. So this is a retail push. Okay. This is not institutional. So this is safe. Okay. If it was doing this in after hours, I would stay the hell away from it. But this is crazy. Oh, shark fin. Ah, Jeffrey, you're awesome. Right on. Oh, hey, I was gonna say something. So we're gonna keep an eye on this because this is what we do on the channel. I love this stuff. This is what I live for. This is halting. All that is what and not suspensions. I hate that, but the halting stuff. Um, this is why I have Webull for this one reason. Okay, if it didn't have, the reason why is because when it starts shaking like that, a lot of stock screeners can't do that. I haven't seen one. Okay, I don't mind Traders View, Trading View. I don't mind that one. It's a good one, but it doesn't read algorithms correctly. Okay, it just doesn't. These guys have mastered it. Just give me a second, my friends. So how's everybody doing today so far now that you're all waking up? I'm going to have to go get more coffee. Okay, I'll get on to a different stock because this will be shut down 15, 20 minutes. Excuse me. Okay. What else do we got here? Do any of you want me to cover anything? This is good old Ape Father stock. The reason why I'm looking, I got all these screens in front of me, my friends. I'm watching stuff always behind the scene. I got a lot going on my screens. I got YouTube running. I got Twitch, Facebook, Restreams, Twitter, YouTube, yeah. And then I got my stock screener over here. I got another one here. And then I got you guys talking on here. I've got my server running, all of one computer running, all of that stuff. I've got all of that on these screens, right? And then usually I have the news running on the back TV. So, yeah, we got our shit together here on this channel. And I'm not running it all, though. The mods are. I'm just telling you guys right now. They're looking after most of it. They're running the channel. So I like explaining that stuff because I like to share and tell you guys what's up, right? How it runs. Just so you're aware, right? Because if I don't, I get asked questions all the time, which I don't mind sharing, but I like to keep everybody informed what's going on, and it just is like that. It's always been like that. Oh, what am I doing here? There we go. Okay, coffee break. Let's put it on to. Okay, I'm waiting for a ticker symbol. Come on, Warren. Throw me a symbol. Mr. L, throw me a symbol. Can you explain to everyone the difference between halting upwards and downwards? Yes, I can. Good question, man. Okay, on the halt on the way up is for volatility halt breaker. It's a breaker. It is kicked. And on the halt on the way up is and I don't like it. It's not a good one. Okay, because it stops you from making money. There's discrepancy on this. Some people say it's have their own take on it, but we're in the stock squeezes. Okay, for a stock squeeze, it's different on a lot of things. That's what we specialize in. So I'm talking about strictly about a stock squeeze. I'm talking about if this was AMC strictly. Okay, I just want to be clear on that. So on the way up, the breaker that kicks on the way up stops you from making money. So the way down, it's a negative pull on the market. It stops it from dropping too fast. Okay, it could be the other. You could look at it like, well, that helps you, that stops you from losing your money. It's true that the one on the way down is the one that I don't mind. Some people say it's the other way around. They say, no, no. I'm talking about a short squeeze. Okay, if that algorithm didn't kick on the way down, your money will go, your bank account will go potentially. See, the thing is, you haven't lost money until you closed your position. Okay, you got to remember that. that's it. That's how it happens, right? So those are the two. AV, what's up, brother? You mentioned that the short squeeze will be most likely to start in the post and pre-market. Is that going to be a good time to start trading? Yes, if you can. Yes, my friend. Yes, AV, good question. Yes, if you can. A lot of us can't. KT, I'll look it up 1 second. Yes, so if you have your broker, I think Mr. L has answered this. Christy has been working on some stuff. You've never seen a halt, Dan? Well, you've been on the wrong channels. You're our family member now, so hang out with cousin Cam here, and I'll show you. You'll learn. It's all good. So yeah. So on the way down, it unlocked. Oh, where is it? It's unlocked. Oh no, it didn't. It didn't. I had it on the wrong screen. I'm just watching it because it could kick again. I wanted to. It most likely will. Oh, it's a cool down period. It's cooling down. That vibration on the algorithm is like this, and then when they halt it, it'll sit there and vibrate, and then it'll start cooling down the vibrations. It all runs off a sequence, okay? Off of like, you know what radio waves back in school when they show you the radio waves, like the signal? That's what it's. That's the best way to explain it. Okay, it goes like this. They sweep, and yeah, they're really simple. It's really simple. But if you don't understand it, and or people can make it sound so complex, it's not. It's the most simple. It's so simple. It's just that if they yeah, I'm not even gonna get into that. I just heard some stuff about people trying to explain about algorithms that made me laugh. I almost fell off my friggin' chair. Trying to get clickbait. So, anyways, yeah. So the way down, my friends, is not the best. Okay, it'll halt on the way down. So yeah, you're gonna see them. Depends on what AMC is. Nobody on the planet knows how it's gonna run. Okay, like I've said before, 2 different algorithms. Okay, on the mark. That's it. Okay, there's nothing else. There's a third one. Okay, there's a third one that Citadel has. Okay, it's got algorithm for high frequency trading. They have their own algorithm. Okay, and I have documentation on it. I'm actually doing a project on it. Okay, I'm working on it behind the scenes. And what it is I've explained it before. They use high frequency trading to do this shit right here. See this right here, my friends? See this ladder attack? A lot of them are with high frequency trading. They will speed trade shares back and forth, just a pile of shares so fast that it messes the algorithm vibrations up. The algorithm thinks that they're having a sale. Okay. They don't want to do it too fast because it will halt, and then they'll get busted and they get fined, and then because it'll raise this concern. They do get fined for high frequency trading. I'm telling you that right now. And ladder attacks is highly illegal, but the fines are like nothing. And if they get caught, that's when they only do it for a bit and then they'll stop. Okay. Is it acting up, Christopher? Is YouTube here? Let me go over to the thing. I might be under something. Just give me a second. Am I getting warnings? No. Is it acting up? What's going on, bud? I don't. There's nothing here, Christopher. I have a good signal. I'm 90% success here. Yeah, I don't see it. Okay, Warren downloaded the WebEx app, and Christopher. Okay, Larry, you got to wait till Christopher emails you back to say that you've been added to the server. Once you've been added to the server, it's the WebEx. There's 2 different WebEx ones you want, our app. Okay, WebEx is connected to our app. Okay, so there's 2 different WebEx. You want the WebEx that doesn't say Google WebEx Meet. The one that says Meet you don't want right now. Just plain WebEx. It says WebEx Meeting. That's the wrong one. Uninstall it and install the other one, and then just wait for Christopher to email you back saying that you've been added to the server. Okay, I'll let you deal with it, mods. I just want to explain that. It's easier for me to talk. Okay, Christopher, all right, T, you asked for a symbol here. Okay, I'm going to go back up here. I did watch that. So, yeah, there you go, AV. That's call your brokers. Christy is like, she is something else. Wow. She's our mod for our server. She's the most beautiful woman out there. She's so helpful to our channel. Wow. I'm very grateful for all the mods, but yeah, she's just over the last couple of days. And she's a mom of three triplets. Wow, I'd give her credit. Like, wow, she's like super mom, right? Like super everything. She's been calling around. She's the one that's all with the credit unions. She's the one that we all started this stuff with the bank. All the banks about doing money. I've talked about that for a year ago. Now people are just going, holy crow, we better think about this stuff. We've known this for a long time. Okay. And when it says 50,000 a day maximum, that doesn't mean you're going to get that. I just want to be very clear on this stuff, okay? That is what they're allowing. If you try going to the bank and try pulling money out, go try to the bank and put 20 grand cash out right now. Even go down there and try it. They won't give it to you. I'm just telling you that. That's the same thing. But yet it says they're allowed to 100,000 a day pull out, okay? So that's how that works. I'm just being very clear on that. What you're going to get, what you want, what you're going to get are two different things. I'm just telling you right now. Get certified checks and don't hold them in your house for 2 days. It's all about laziness is what screws you around in this stuff, okay? Get on it. Get your friggin' checks, cash them, get them into different banks. Do not transfer inside. Say you're with Fidelity, don't transfer it into a different Fidelity account and then go trade it into a stocks. It's the same thing. You want to get rid of that wire transfer loop. You don't want digital transfer. You want to put it into a kit and caboodle, okay? Send it out at Fidelity, for instance, transfer it over to somewhere else into an account where you can get a Fidelity, go ask for some checks, whatever you got to do. I don't know. Everything's different. You got to think outside the box on this one. I'm just giving you the basic core and you can put it in your own layman terms and do whatever. I'm telling you the way it has to happen or else it's crazy, right? You're just going to, all this work it's going to happen. They're going to screw you. Okay. I'm telling you that right now. There's a big frigging problem. And reverse transfers is not nothing new. They've happened since the beginning of time, since digital era. Okay, this is all old stuff. Right? I don't know. People are just catching on to it now. I noticed a couple creators are just talking about now. Well, they're finally figuring that out now. Like they're way behind compared to us. Like I don't know, man. But that I shouldn't say that because that's what we specialize in. So that's all I taught. That's all I work on the scenes is that stuff. Yeah, it is what it is. We're about helping people, so we'll help you, right? I'm not gonna say I don't turn anybody away. I haven't. The mods might have, but I don't. And then that's up to them, right? They're the security. Larry, I'm looking forward to hanging out with you, bro, on the server, bud. You seem like a decent guy. I've seen your comments and stuff. You're right on. Thanks. Thank you, Ma. I've been married. Oh, you're hilarious, bro. You're hilarious. Sorry for pulling your comment up there, but I can't read it down in here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Froggy is a channel that we hang out with all the time. So if you don't know Froggy Styles, good channel. Good channel. I support him for sure. I give him support 100%. Okay, so let's get into some more of this. Let's get into let's go look at some GME this morning. Okay, what about from Fidelity? Oh, I've seen this pop up, and I'll help any of you. Yeah, yeah. Okay, but you have to remember, my friend, you said transfer. A wire transfer, no good. They can do a reverse on that. Okay. So I'm just if you can do the check, there's also ways around it. If you can do a check is better. Like if you can get a check, certified check for release, and you can get, if you can pick it up directly and drop it off in a credit union, that's what I would do. I would go from bank, or like from federal to provincial. Up here it's provincial because from, what is it down there? Is it county, state? Christy, what is it down there, girl? Is it counties or because I'm learning too? Right, I don't know about the state stuff. That's why I'm asking you guys. And then I can make my decision on that. If you can do it from Fidelity into a certified check, then that's the way to do it. I'm gonna get it picked up, or you pick it up in person is the best. You might have to get a stack of them, okay? And just do it. It is what it is. A certified check, I would not leave it for a day. Go drop it off, or leave early in the morning. Go, if you can go to Fidelity, even if it's a 4-hour drive, go to Fidelity and get your checks. Call ahead of time. Pick that stuff up. Have it sitting there waiting for you. Voice, one of our squeeze tools, AZ screen recorder, voice recorder, face recognition, voice recognition software. It's free. Download it when you call your broker. Call Fidelity. Record all this stuff to an SD card or a cloud, not to just phone. Okay, that's one of our squeeze. These are tools that we have. These are tools that need to be used. Okay, all there are is fail-safe systems I've made. Okay, so if you want to know more about this, like Larry, he's going to learn everything. He's now a member, right? Okay, I only can tell so much on a lot of the stuff I can't talk about on here legally. Okay, I'm just telling you right now. Yeah, Jeffrey's one of the smarter ones. Is it federal? Yeah. Credit unions are federal. Are they? Here they're not. Okay, that's why I said I asked her. Here they're provincial. Credit unions are provincial. So you got provincial government, federal. Banks are feds here, federal. Credit unions are provincial. They don't talk together. They're totally different. Okay. No, Diana. You want to go over the server, and we'll talk to you on the server about that. So thank you, Jeffrey. No, I didn't notice. I'll look into that. Where's Diana? There she is. So Diana, yes, I could do that for you, Ray. I can do that for you. I'm talking to this server right now. I'll come over there and message her. Or maybe I'll get a mod too. Voice recorder on WebEx. Yes. No, I'm not the test meeting here. I'll give you a private meeting. Okay. Well, you want to go one-on-one? I'll walk you through this. I haven't met you formally, and I wouldn't mind meeting you. Okay. So I want to meet somebody in my family. Right. You've been there for a while now, a week or so. So yeah, it's time that I think we should have a meetup, and I'll walk you through this. Or unless Christy could help her out and just help her out with what to download. There's 2 different ones. Christy uses something else, but they're both free. And yeah, we'll help you out. Definitely you want to protect yourself. Okay. Because if this goes to court, I can work with you. I'll go in the States. I can't. But if it's anywhere else, I will have somebody, like if there's a class action lawsuit, we will be the ones launching it. Okay. We have all the information. Okay. I'm ready, sitting here ready. I've already have this stuff. I have all my templates to launch a class action here. That's what I've done them before. I've won before, and they're easy. Lawsuits are easy to file. Okay. They're the most easiest thing. You just do a template. It's the filing fees that is time consuming, and it costs money. That's all. In Canada, I will be the main one filing the class action lawsuit. In the States, I will be looking over the one in the States. I'll be putting all over. I'm the one with all the documentation. I got over 4,000 hours plus of everything. Ladder tax, high frequency trading. All of it's being, like right now, this is being recorded. So we use all of this stuff for court if we have to. So thank you. Thank you, girl. I'm glad you joined. You're yeah. There you go. Yeah. She uses this. She has an iPhone. She has a built-in one. I'll have to talk to her IT department. I'll find out the model and all that stuff. I can get it checked out. This is like, we have our own IT department too. That's who does all this software. Okay, I'm waiting for this halt. Come on, baby. Thank you. Yeah, I know we just lucked over. Yeah. Crazy. Crazy stuff, man. I'm just sorry I keep on saying this person. I'm shouting all the mods out. I'm sorry. I just can't. I'm just speechless. Oh yeah, Warren's talking about the one-on-one package with me. Yeah, I'll sit down with your shares, and you just tell me what you own, and how much you paid for them. And I got a mathematical formula here, right here, that I've designed, and it will help you make up to 3 times as much money on your shares. Okay. Look at this gap up. Look at this. This is weird. Look at that. They've totally changed this halting. It went, remember that candlestick was way down here? Look at this. Look at the VWAP. It went right up and it's touching the bottom of the candle. I've never seen that before. Where the frig is Froggy? I'm going to screenshot this. That's not normal. That's not normal. They changed this. It might be in an investigation right now if it doesn't unlock pretty soon. So there's something wrong here. Okay, that's not normal. Remember, this was all green down here, this big juicy. We'll see. Hang on a second. I'll put it on the 1 minute. Maybe that's why. No, see, that's the 1 minute, and it's yeah, and it never. This wasn't here before. It never halted on the next candle. It can't halt on the next candlestick. It never even moved yet. There's something fishy with this. I'm telling you right now. It can't halt on that. It has to halt on the candlestick it's on. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. The breaker won't allow it to go to the next segment. It doesn't work like that. Weird. I wish I had another stock trainer right now because I would check it out. It might be an error on Webull because that happens too. This is BFRI. BFRI ticker symbol. Shane had a question here, buddy. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. Do you think they'll mess around with your broker account? Yes, dude. Yes. It's not protected. It's the government owns that shit. This is very concerning, bro. Didn't you message? Were you on Froggy's channel the other day? Your 401s could be jeopardized. I'm telling you right now, it's happened before. I have inside info on this from a lady that called me from the States, all concerned about this, upset. And I went and dug into it, and yeah, man, it can be a bad problem. You can lose all your retirement. So this stuff you can't just pull out in cash. Okay. It's the same up here. You got to transfer it. Sometimes there's a year holding, but what you can do, listen to this. You can trade. You can use this as a trader's account. You can open a trader's account under your 401. So what I would do today, if it was me, you don't want to wait on this stuff. Okay. I'd be calling, and a lot of the stuff you can hook up an account over the phone. Sometimes you have to go and get a signature on it. So what you want to do is get into a credit union. Christy, do they do 401 in the credit union in the trader's account? Oh, she's busy today. I don't know about her. What you need to do is phone a credit union, which was what I would use on something like that. Put it away in a credit union somewhere. Help out a community, right? So what I would do is, because it's all run off the clients. So what I would do is go call a credit union. If you can open up a 401 there for a transfer, it's okay doing a transfer on this, a wire transfer, okay? Because it's not connected to a short squeeze, but the economy is going to crash. Okay, it's already doing it. So this is what, oh man, it's just so scary. So the 401, don't care. Who cares what they say about the insurance and shit? The government lies all the time. You guys know that, right? So credit union, try to open a 401 there, trade it, put in a 401 trading account. Okay. And you're allowed to trade. You're allowed to invest in. They've changed that rule years ago. You can do it up here too. Like I can invest. I was going to buy $17,000 worth of AMC in the next day or two. Okay, but because I'm using it through my disability, my DTTC account. Okay, it's a disability account because of my neck. right? Because I have all titanium plates in my neck, right? So I have nerve damage. I had reconstructive spinal cord surgery. So that's here to say on that is that you can do that. So I'm already set up for that through TD Bank in Canada. So that's what I was going to buy. I'd be in a huge position then on, and most of it I would probably be donating back to the Wolfpack. Um, we have some things we're purchasing as a family, so I'm not going to get into that. The Wolfpack members know exactly what I'm talking about. So I've talked to my wife about it. She doesn't want me to. So she's like, no, what, that's I can't touch that until I'm 60. Okay. I got 15 more years I can't touch that. What it does is it sits in there in compounds. Okay. So what I would do is buy AMC with it. And this is what I would do on, like, talking about you. I'm trying to explain the trading aspect of it. So I'm using me as an example. So I already told you what to do, Shane. You just got to do some phone calling today, bud. So I'm just explaining the trader end of it. I'm just on this halt right now. I'm watching everything else. Nothing's helping my friend going on, my friends. Yeah, everything's just sitting. Everything's gone green though on the market. So we're in the low right now. So it's consolidating right now in the market. So so this is where I just do information things on here. This is where I love doing. This is what I do the channel for. I love talking to you guys like this because I love information. Okay, I love sharing it. Okay, and the information I share is 100% correct. I don't, especially when it comes to personal accounts and bank accounts. That's why if I don't know something, I'll ask my mod department, security department, because they deal on all that stuff. They'll do the phone calls for me and all that kind of stuff. And that's why I said that that's what Christy's been doing all the banking for us. She's our accountant banker. Okay, she deals with all the banking stuff. So, and she'll probably be dealing with it once we're in doing our Mexico thing here. She'll probably be doing all the banking and stuff for us. So, yeah, just it is what it is, right? So, anyways, I just wanted to get into that. So, 17,000 and some chump change into AMC, because it's a trader's account. I opened up a trader's account. Okay, so even though I make a big whack of money on AMC squeeze in there, okay, now I cashed it out. Okay. Now it's sitting in there. I'm like, oh shit. I can't cash that account out. I can't transfer it to like post-dated checks and move it. Okay. So I did some thinking last night. How can I can buy shares with it. So what I'm going to do is, and I would not recommend doing this. This is just for me in there because I have no situation to do. This you can transfer. I can transfer into another bank, another DTCC account or disability savings account. I can transfer it. So I'd transfer it like I have another one set up at another bank. I've already done it last week. So I'm going to transfer that to another bank and then invest it into stocks. So they can't, because you know what I mean? The wire transfer, they can go back. Don't keep it in the same bank. That's even worse because it's internal then. But they can do a reversal on it. So what you do is transfer it and then into, I'm swapping, this is only for the 401 or any tax-free savings account, anything like that, RSP, anything like that. That's what I would do. I would not leave it sitting in my traders in my tax-free savings account. Okay. TSFA. I would get the money from the broker into the bank, and then I'd already have another TSFA opened in another branch. I'd transfer to that branch, and then it would be a trader's account still. I transferred it into stocks then. Done. They can't touch it. They would have to get an indictment from the government, which it has to be signed by a lawyer. I mean, a judge. A judge will not issue an indictment unless there's a substantial amount of proof, because it is a very, very legal area. Okay. They can get sued, man. We're talking about finances. Okay. That's a little bit different than committing a crime of like assault or something like that. Totally different. Okay. I know that for a fact. So that's what I did. Okay, which sudden halted. I was waiting for that. 54. So yeah, look at it. See that vibration, guys? Okay, I'm gonna blow this up. This is what we specialize. See that vibration? That's algorithm vibration. It's gonna halt right now. It should have kicked the breaker. It should halt. I'm pretty good at calling halts. It just halted. There you go. How do you like that? That's how you call that. I just get so excited about that. See, that's how good I am. I do this all the time. Ask the channel. I just called that 5 seconds before it halted, 6 seconds before it halted. Bango schwango. Coffee time. There you guys go. That's how I am going to be on the AMC squeeze if you're on my channel. This won't be discussed live. This will be on our server. Okay. So there you guys go. See that vibration? I could tell by that vibration when it kicked, it was going to kick a breaker. It can't kick like that. Okay. That's a vibration. The vibration kick. Okay. That will kick the breaker. Notice how it didn't move anything? It didn't even gain anything. It went down. It lost like 20 cents and it kicked the breaker again. It's not on the price. And that's where everybody's wrong on that. It doesn't matter the price. It's all off of the algorithm vibrations. Okay. Done. Sorry about that. I just get really excited when I love this stuff. So you've see me in action lots on the channel. That's kind of new to some of the people that have watched it, but this is all how I do it. So yeah, I don't know anybody else that can do that in the world. I don't. And if they do, come on and meet me. I would love to have fun with you on here because I love it. That's what runs the whole system. The whole the whole system, the whole financial sector of stock trading runs on algorithm. Okay, that's why when people say, "Oh, there's an algorithm," and I don't speak of one person in general. Every stock has their own algorithm. He's full of shit. He doesn't know nothing. There you guys go. I'm back in a minute. Okay, my traders here, my brothers and sisters. Okay, that's that. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's showing it's not halted, but it is. Yeah, it is. It's under. Yeah, so that's going to happen all the time. Okay, that is the algorithm we don't want. Okay. And it doesn't necessarily, AMC might not run like that. Okay. Like I said, I got to see it as soon as so the thing is, oh, there it is right there. It's back again. That wasn't a volatility halt. There was something else. Okay. It's going to, that won't kick. It's too mellow right now. That's mellow. Too mellow. That wasn't a volatility halt. There was somebody, they kicked that breaker themselves. That wasn't a computer. That was manual. Here we go. See, that's normal. That's normal. Ooh, she's getting a little violent now. Can you guys see that? See, that's normal, right? It's not snapping. So it's cooled down a bit. Yeah. Oh, she's getting a little. Yeah, see, that's fine. Oh, she's getting snappy again. It's having problems reading it. It's cooled down quite a bit, guys. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna leave that at that. I'm not gonna sit on. I'm just gonna go around some other stuff because this is old to me. I do this all the time. I just want to show you guys and ladies that stuff. You can stare at this thing for 20 years and not learn it. Okay, until somebody explains it to you. Yeah, it's cooled way down. It's cooled way down. It's. Yeah. So that's why they did it. Okay, that is the hell is this? Twitch is doing something. Best Prime viewers. What the hell? So, anyways, that's the bot. Sorry, guys. Best followers, Prime viewers. Sorry, guys. I'll go into that. That's a bot. That's a good one of my bots. I don't have her programmed yet. She is running wild. We got to chain her up. So I got to fix that. What is she promoting here on my channel? The hell is she doing? Oh, she's not on here. She's not on the YouTube. Sorry, my friends. Randy the Eat, how you doing, buddy? I've seen you around before. I'll gonna do a Randy, were you on here this morning? I do have some things about that. I just want to be. Are you before? Oh, she's snapping now. See that? Okay, I'll put you on there. Oh, I got it on there. Okay. She's getting a little violent. Not ready to kick yet. That was getting violent. See that sweep like that? It's not now. It's mellow, but see, it does it in segments. So. Okay. But Randy, I wanted to go over. I'm going to go into a short squeeze list. I want to help you out, Randy the Ape. If you're going to be adding a big position onto ticker symbol ATER, I'm going to give you some inside info on that. If you're predicting it, if you're investing in that, I have 7 shares at 2. I would love to see 50. Okay, I can tell you if it's going to go there or not. Okay, I have documents. I have hedge fund squeeze list documents. Okay, they're updated all the time. I have documents. Everybody knows that on the channel. I have their documents, access to their documents. Okay, they have a short squeeze list that is updated daily or every 2 days. Okay, it tells you what is going to squeeze and what's not. Okay, what is on the squeeze list, what they're going to pump, what they're not going to pump. Okay, what the short interest of float is. That's what you got to find out, my friend. Okay, are you looking for at a short squeeze, or are you just looking for a rise in price? What are you after? I can help you out, Randy. I don't mind helping people out for that. Backstreet Kim, Backstreet Boys. That's funny. So I'm going to get off of this. This is kind of done its own thing. It's cooled down a bit. It's going to have to take a while to get prime back up. Yeah, it's mellow. So, oh, looks like it. No, it didn't halt. Yeah, see, it's mellow. Did it halt? Something went on. That's not a volatility halt. They're having problems with it. Yeah, it halted. That's not the type of halt from a vibration. That I knew it did. See, I said it was going to halt, or it did halt, and then a halt came up. That's not what the type of halt that we're looking. They're having problems with it. Okay, that's not, the computer didn't kick. That was manual. That was manually done by a person. Takes three people to do it. So what it does is they can override the algorithm. Okay, they can override the breaker. Correction. They can override the break, and nobody can touch and move the algorithm. It is locked. It's what it is. It does. Okay. So yeah. Anyways, yeah, that was definitely, the last one was done too by a person. That wasn't halted because of that. It wasn't even moving. Okay, that's totally different. So they're having problems with this stock. They've gone upstairs. I call it. They've got an override. They overrode the breaker system, and they can manually stop it, which is a halt. It would say volatility halt, but it doesn't on this one. They stopped putting that. It used to say that. Okay, so I'm gonna get on some other stocks because that one is not what we want. We don't want to watch that stuff because it's not. It's human done. I want to watch stuff that's manually halting. Okay, I'm gonna go back to, I was on YouTube having a look there for you guys on YouTube. I wanted to see what this person's saying. These okay. Oh, a bunch of you are in this ATER. Okay, I'll get on it then. I'll get on it. Okay. We will after go back to 9. Okay, I can tell you all this stuff. Okay, so you're another one on altar. You're Roseanne. A lot of you are. Give me thumbs up. Who is into that ticker symbol? Okay, I want thumbs up. Who actually has shares in ticker symbol ATER? If you do, I'm gonna do a solid for you guys and ladies. I'm gonna help you out. If you want to make some money on that, I'll help you out. If you're looking for a short squeeze, I'll tell you if it's going to squeeze or not, or if you're wasting your friggin' money. Okay. As you know, this is all controlled by the hedge funds. Okay. I can tell you straight up. Okay. Because that's what we do. That's one of our squeeze tools. I can tell what stocks are going to make money and which aren't. Okay. 100%. Because that's our specialty. Okay. We got 1, 2. Okay. Keep them coming. Barry, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. I see a whole bunch of new members here. Or new subs, I should say, not members. I can't see if you're members if you don't have a wolf pack emoji beside you. Nope. Oh, yeah. Do any of the members? Okay. Barry Holly. Barry Holly. You have the Barry Holly. That's a cool name, man. Barry Holly. I like that name. Short squeeze. I own. Okay, Roseanne. I own as well. Okay. Okay, there's a lot of new. Okay. It doesn't matter if you're Eric R. Welcome to the channel. It doesn't matter if you're so I just wanted to say that you don't need to be a member to the channel for me to help you out on stuff. Okay. A lot of channels run like that. Unless you actually want squeeze tools and be taught on how to manage a squeeze and how to make more money on it, that is different. Okay. Just to be very clear on that. Okay. Sorry, I can. I don't understand, Roseanne. Yikes! Typing to us. I own. Oh, okay. That's okay. Okay. So Wolfpack, I'm going to take a break here for a minute, and I'm going to help these beautiful people out here. I'm going to go into our into some computer stuff. I'm going to go into get our hedge fund stuff. Okay. So give me a second here. It's out of the UK. I got to see what even if the list that it was be from last night, yesterday's trading. So I want to. I do have you back on AMC. I want to make sure. Yes, That's not nothing. That's nothing, man. That's not normal. That's not. That wasn't done by that. Okay. Oh, this is AMC. Okay, so I just want to be very clear on this. This level right here, before I go in and get the documents here, this 1934 is a huge monumental line. Okay, well, it could be 1925. I'm just saying, or in 1825, 1830. Okay, it doesn't matter if it's like a little bit off on the wick there. That isn't it. It's in the dollar figure. Okay, just so you get the fractionals behind me, nothing really. Okay, I'm just telling you that. Okay, so that it's going to have to tap that a couple, 3 to 4 times to punch that. Okay, I'm telling you right now, that's the only way it runs. It has to. It might go through it and then back down. It has to have a certain amount of stuff to punch it. Okay, to punch through that line and hold it. Punching through it is hard, yeah, but to hold it up there, to hold it, it's going to have a bunch of strength under it. Okay, to hold the resistance. Does that make any sense? I'm trying to explain it with getting all the hand signals going for you, my friends. Okay, so give me a minute and I'll go pull up these documents. I will not show the documents live. Okay, I do not disclose that because it's not normal information people to have this. Okay, I'm not worried about that. I'm not worried about anything to do with that. The thing is I don't, not that I don't, you guys, a lot of people watch this channel that are not involved in us, that snoop around. Okay. And I don't want though in the wrong hands that could really mess this play up on AMC and any of this stuff. It can be dangerous to in the wrong hands, these documents and stuff. And this, it is outdated after a couple of days anyways. It's still in the same area, but I'm just saying that people in this world use good stuff for negative reasons. Okay. And that's all I'm saying. So let's get in there. Well, take me a minute to get in there because there's a lot of stuff I have to bypass. There's a lot of, just give me a minute here. It takes a little bit. So I will be taking the screen. I'll just leave it on here for you guys and ladies. So if I'm away for a couple seconds here and nothing's gone wrong, it's just I'm on a different screen. Okay. I got to activate I got to get VPN going here before I go in there. Okay. Where is it? Excuse me. Oh yeah, definitely. Get this VPN on here. Just give me a second. What is it? What time is it? 8. Okay, we're good. I didn't see anybody pop up on the thing, so we're having an alone day today, which is good. We needed a break anyways. Yeah, I've been too busy. It's nice not just being. It's hard work hosting. Like if you're hosting, it's a lot of work, my friends. Like I'd rather. Yeah, that's why I was like, it's like not that I love guests. It's just it's when you do have your daytime normal like daytimes like to relax. Like I love going through this stuff with you just like one on one. This is the way I'm used to. But I love collabing. I love meeting new people though. Shit. Just give me a second here. Something's weird. What's going on here? Fucking bullshit. I know what I did wrong. Really? You're gonna be like that? Fuck off. There we go. Nope, it unlocked the game. I'm not gonna keep it on there because it's not. It is what it is, right? It's not the same. It's not doing the same thing. I can tell by. Just give me 1 second. Just want to see something. I just want to have one look at something. Yeah, it's cool. It's done. It's done. That's nothing. Yeah, it's done. It's cooled right off. I just want to look at it. It's not going to do anything. That's too mellow. See the difference? See what I showed you guys? How it cools it down the algorithm switch? Look at it. Told you. I like to be very, very open and honest with you, my friends. I like you to learn stuff. There's no sense in feeding bullshit. Okay. Like something like that, you can learn a lot off of. Okay. It's no big secret. Okay. There's some things I will not teach on this. But the main core of what you look for, I will. What we do is the new members, we kind of have fun doing this. Okay. But I just wanted to say that make it fun. Don't make it stressful. That's all I'm saying. It's pretty simple, actually. Hey, which? Oh yeah, I'm in here now. It took that long to get in here. I have to make sure. I'm taking my screen share off for a minute. I just want to make sure that I don't by accidentally pull these documents up here by accident because I just want to make sure everything's running here first. Good. Okay, we're good. Is everybody still here? Happy the Great is in the house. My brother, B Ghost, how you doing, bud? Private sir, I don't. Are you a Wolfpack member yet? You can't just get on the server. You have to go through security. First, brother, did you? Where is? I don't see a new member on here. You got to become a member, bro. I didn't see anything. Server, you got to. Where the hell are you? Sorry, my friend. I'm gonna try to. I'm waiting for the documents to load right now. I'm seeing something weird. Carlos, why are you not coming up on my screen? Carlos, what are you up to, brother? Carlos. Oh, you do. You do have you're packing your full. Yeah, you're packing it now. You got to email Christopher, our IT department now, and get your email. And then we got to cross check you, which you already passed security because you're packing. And you can't get around our security because you have to have a wolf pack emoji. So yeah, you passed your security, man. Checkpoint. So yeah, I'll just email Christopher, and then when Christopher emails you back saying you're ready to go, then you're good to go. We'll contact you. Okay. Any thoughts on CSI talking about making a deal to end this already? I don't know what you're talking about, Luna. I don't understand what you're talking about. Just to end this already, a deal. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know. I really don't talk to CSI that much, but yeah, I'll try to help you out if I can. I don't know what you have to disclose a little bit more information on. So I'm in there now, my friends. So let's look it up. Let's look it up. Okay, we're sitting in see, it's not gonna go. It's not gonna squeeze. I can tell you right now. It's too low. It's the short percent of float is only 16.29. Okay, it's got to be a little bit higher than that. It could squeeze, but it's most likely gonna just go up in price. But it doesn't matter what price it is to squeeze. Okay, that's the truth on something. A stock can squeeze at any price if it has the resistance pulled. If it yeah, the tighter the band pulls, and then it snaps, it's gone. It's just gone, gone. Okay, that's what I'm saying with AMC. So I'm gonna give you some information on this, because I'm already in here. I might as well. Do you want to know who owns it? Institutional holders, who owns how much of the flow, institution retail. Do you guys want to know all the information that you can't get anywhere else? Because I have it all in front of me. I have every piece of information on this share. Do you guys want it, or I don't need to do it. If you're not really, if that's all you wanted to know was just if it was going to squeeze or not. No, it's going to have to wait a little bit more. on that. I'll be very clear on that. And this goes for any stock on the Toronto Stock, New York Stock Exchange in Canada and the States. I have every frigging piece of documentation you can get on that stuff. So I said we're a stock squeeze specialist. That's what we do, right? That's what I specialize in. That's my main thing. And then I do other stuff too, as you see, right? So anyways, I'm going to pull this back on here in AMC because that's when I'm a GME. Yeah, the algorithms are different on these two stocks. I've been watching these two for a while. They're still going to run though. Yeah, they're off again. So they're still going to run together. Okay, I'm just telling you that right now, as in together. See this point right here? This trend, I'm going to put one in here. I'm going to show you guys something. This is how serious I am about this, reading these charts, okay? This is the channel. Oops, shit. This is the channel to be on, man, when the squeeze happens. I'm telling you right now, if you want to learn some stuff and you want to make money. Okay, see that right there? Look at this. See that? This is how freaking smart we are. Look at that. See that pinch point on the top of the algorithm cap there? It capped out, okay? The stock capped out. Look at that. Bang. Weird, eh? There you go. It's called mirroring. So I'm going to leave it on this. I'll put it back on the... Oh, that is on the 1 minute. That's weird. So we're on GME. I'll leave it on. That's not even moving. GME is no volume. This pixeling is done. It's done. Not done isn't it's not. It's dead. No, done isn't it's not going to do anything today. Too low volume. Okay, there you guys go. Blow it up there. Oh yeah, I'm not. I thought it was screen sharing. Anyways, I'll show you in a minute. Sorry about that. I'll go through it again. Okay, so I got to go back to the other screen here. I'm going to pull up the stock here for you. Okay. Barry, nobody knows. Weston, what's up, brother? Do it, Cam? Okay, I'll do it. Yeah, not a problem. Not a problem, brothers and sisters. Do I need to something? Sorry, Eric. I got to pull you up. Sorry about that. I got to pull you up on here. I can't read it. Do I need something else to? Do I need to be on something? No, you're on the right thing. I was just showing something here. I'll bring up the screen. No, I won't be showing the squeeze charts and stuff. Our personal documentation. No. Yeah, no, I'm bringing the chart up right now. I just had to take it off there because I was going through some personal stuff and I don't want that stuff showing. So there you guys go. There you guys, there, ladies and gentlemen, go. Okay, I'm going to show you something about these two, GME and AMC. Okay. So the algorithm capped here and went back down. So what is this? It's a resistance line. Okay. They both have the same resistance. These two are running off of mirroring algorithms. A lot of it is because a lot of the same people are in GME and AMC. We're talking not retail, institutions. Okay. So that's part of it. There's a lot to this catalyst for these two stocks than what the average person sees and notices, including myself. Okay. So I'm going to go look at AMC. Okay. I'm not talking about the peer. I'm talking about the cap touch point. Okay. That's all I care about. I don't give a heck about the price and all that stuff. That's irrelevant. Like I said before, when a stock squeezes, it goes. It doesn't matter what price or what percentage it's at. Okay. So I just want to be very clear on that. Okay. Look at this. See that? Even though there's no volume, I'm look at this. Look at the touch point, the pyramid, the tap off on the resistance line. Okay. That's GME, AMC. See what I mean? Crazy, eh? I've noticed this for a long time. It did run out of mirroring for a while, but it's back doing it again. Okay, look at that. Oops, wrong one. Sorry, my friends. Look at that. See? Crazy, eh? I'm not talking about all this. I'm talking the resistance tap point. Okay? Look at that. Crazy, eh? That's the stuff I study, is that kind of stuff. I know maybe means nothing to anybody else, but those are the things that, and you don't need to know that. That's stuff that I need to know for the family, for my family, right? You guys, the guys that are members, right? That's my stuff. That's what I do behind the scenes. That's what I look at, and that's what I study. A lot of it means nothing. A lot of it means it's hard for the average person will not understand it. It's very complex, and some of it isn't, right? But for you to know and understand all that stuff, it'll probably mess your mind up. All you need to worry about is making money, right? Okay, so let's get into some good stuff. I'll leave the chart on there. I'll put it, that's on AMC. I'm going to blow it up a little bit for you. There you guys go. I'm going to pull this back like this. And can you guys see that? Okay, good. Okay, so these documents I will not be showing, like I said. Okay, we're in ticker symbol ATER. Okay, I'm going to go through it. Percent or short percent of float. It's too low for a squeeze to kick right away. Okay, it's got to prime up a little bit more. It is in a squeeze era. Anything over 10, 12% could potentially squeeze. I would not, if it was me, I'd be investing in AMC. If it was me over this. Okay, I'm telling you right now. But anyways, I will disclose the information to you because that's what we do. And you guys want it. Okay, insider trading. Here you go. The last person that sold was on. I have the official SEC documents in front of me. Okay, this person sold. A lot of people are selling in this right now. Okay, a lot of the owners. Okay, which is, and they sold it. Last price was sold. What is it at right now? Give me a second. $2.07 roughly. Is that the right one? Yeah. No, that's Alter. No, that's the wrong one. $5.55, 56 cents. Okay. This person sold on the 3rd month, 23rd day. Okay. At $2.68. And then we're going to know all this shit. Okay. 166,000 shares and some total shares. This person owns more shares. 393,000. So he sold half of his shares. Okay. They still own on this. And this list is huge. I'm not going to get into it. There's owner, MacArthur. I can't pronounce his name. Anyways, so let's get into the good stuff because that really is irrelevant. I just want to tell you guys just because you have more information than the average person now. Okay, I'm telling you right now that Vanguard and BlackRock are the top two on this. They're the top dogs. Okay, so I'll tell you what the shares are. Okay. Shares that Vanguard owns is 1,943,959. Okay. I'm telling you right straight up. Okay. They own 3.13% of the stake in this bad boy. Okay. BlackRock Inc. owns 1,833,525. And this is not Ortex. If you look at Ortex, they're not going to they're not going to be the same. This is the real shit. Okay, the other stuff is just junk. Okay, I'm telling you, don't waste your money on that crap. It's just reported to FINRA. And it's voluntarily reported information. Okay, this is from the SEC's documents pool. Okay, this is what the hedge funds see. Okay, the hedge funds don't look at Ortex. I'm telling you right now, 100% they don't use that. So, stake of float is 2. Okay, I'll go through it again so you're clear. BlackRock Inc., the stake, which is the amount of the whole float. And this is real shares. There are no synthetics. I'm not saying there's not synthetics in the company. I'm saying that this is the real data. Okay, synthetics are invisible. Synthetics are used to move a fake price. Okay, so this is the real shit. Okay, sorry, Ma. 2.59%. I got one better for you. Let's get into major holders. Okay. This is how I can tell it's going to short squeeze. Okay. It's not going to, I can tell by looking at this. There's a reason why I want to explain it to you. Percent of shares held by, and you guys can write this down because this is the shit. This is the bomb. Okay. This is the core of this company. This is what it runs off of to have the netted to short squeeze. Nothing else. This is it. It has to have this. This is the core of a short squeeze. There's certain things that have to line up. Okay. And this is why it takes somebody to be very good, dedicated, and have correct information. Some people can work on this their whole lives and not be able to figure this shit out. Okay. It is what it is. Okay, the short or the percent of shares held by insiders. Okay, people that I'll explain that to you if you don't, because if you're new to it, insiders are people in the company that work there, volunteers even that work there, or that anything to be tied into that company. Okay, or family members of the company, anything like that. Okay, anything of a 10% owner. Okay, so percent of shares held by institutions. This is the thing. 25.55. 25.55% of shares held by institutions. Okay. There's only 115 institutions in this one. Okay. You gotta know that. Because if you're going to be doing shares and stuff like that, you got to know that 115 institutions got to sell their shares before when the short squeeze is over. Okay. And essentially, so there's a lot involved in the short squeeze. You got to share count. You got to figure out who's selling. And yes, we have all that information. That's why when the AMC squeeze, we will know when that squeeze is going to end. Okay. Within the day. Okay. Day or two. Okay. Because all this stuff has to be reported to the SEC. Well, we have access to that information as soon as it hits the SEC, okay, before they put it out to the public. So this is the other one. Percent of float held by institutions, 28.53. There you guys go. Figure the math out. Okay, now there's a formula you need to do that. Okay, there's a way that you have to figure this out a certain way. It only works one way on this, okay? You have to have the formula to do it. Okay, so I'm going to teach you guys something. I'm not going to give you the whole entity to the formula because it's my formula, but I'm just going to give you the kit and caboodle of it so you don't get confused because it's really complex, but I'm just going to give you something that can help you, okay? I'm not going to give you the full squeeze formula. I made that myself, and I don't share that stuff. So, but I will help you out on this, not a problem. Okay. So 16.25 or 16.29%. Okay. Now you got to figure out what Vanguard and BlackRock own. Okay. In the shares. Then you got to find out what, I'm not going to do the math for you. You guys can. Okay. Because this is voluntarily. If you were on my server and we were doing a short squeeze together, I would already have the formula done. But I'm going to tell you how to do it. And then you can sit down and do it on your calculator. Okay. So what you do, and this goes for any short squeeze, what you do is you figure out the short percent of float. Okay. Not on RTAX because it won't work. So no, Mr. Al, no, it would have already happened at 6:15. So, sorry, I'm talking to the server right now. You're thinking, what the hell is he doing? Like I said, I got tons of stuff running here. No, I'm talking to one of my mods in the server. So what else? Oh yeah. So it's, so you got to figure that out. Okay. Vanderog, and I'll give you the numbers again. We're going to go back here. I'm going to show you how to figure a short squeeze out. Okay. Institutional holders, Vanguard owns, say 2 million shares. Okay. BlackRock owns, say 2 million shares. So you got 4 million shares. Okay. Now you got to take the mathematical formula, in which I won't give you the actual way to do it, but I'm just going to show you how to do the short form of it. Because, just give me a second. Lost that. Okay, now you need these numbers. These numbers will change daily, which I'm just going to give you for today. And after today, it doesn't mean it's invalid information. I'm just going to help you for today, okay? Because I don't. If it was anywhere else on that, then it's you have to be a full member and on and on and on, which is up to you. And I don't push that stuff. That is up to you. That's voluntarily. Okay, so you take the number, right? The shares, the whole necessity of the institutional, the whole kit and caboodle. Okay, the percent. Okay, because you got to convert all this percentage and all that. It's a little bit to this. Okay, which that is yes mods. It's coming on to Yes, somebody is streaming my show. It's probably AB. I got another server run, or I can see that. I already seen that. Thanks, mods. See, the security department picked up on something. It's all good. So, anyways, I just wanted to say that so the 25%, okay, you got to figure out what percent of, you got to get the float, the whole float on this company, which I'm not going to look into. You can do this. Then you take the float and you find out what Vanguard and BlackRock own, okay? You put that number together, you deduct the two, and you come up with a number, okay? That number, I've already done it for AMC. That's why I know exactly right to the day, pretty much. And without the SEC documents, I've already got the formula to figure that out when the short squeeze will be over, okay? So yeah, that's why I said we're going to make way more money than the average person, and we won't be bag holding. Okay, and that's my job to protect my family. Okay, so you got to figure that out. Okay, so I'll give you a little bit of information here. I'll show you the gist of it. Okay, so Vanguard and BlackRock own roughly 6%, pretty much dead on, right? We give or take. So 6% is only, yeah, see, it's not going to short squeeze. Way, but we're far from that. Okay, so we got 6%, but institutional 25.5. Well, there's a bit of a problem with the math there. See what I mean? That's why I know it's not going to happen. Because the institutions have that thing more than what those two own. Okay, the math doesn't work. Do you see that? The 6 and 25, it just doesn't jive. So AMC is really different on that. I'm not going to get into AMC on that because I could be on it for hours. There you guys go. I helped you out. That's how you do the netted. That's how you do. That's pretty much in a pot how you do it. Okay. So that's what I mean when a formula. That formula is not common knowledge. This formula we have. I made the formula. Okay. It's done personally by me. I have a formula that works. It's 100% accurate on any stock. And that's it. Not even my mods know about it. Okay. I just come up with the numbers. Okay. So I don't share that information. That's mine. So it is what it is. I helped you guys out the basic on that. And that's as much as I will, that's as much as I'll go into. Okay. So that this gave you that's what oh, the Nightbot worked. She came out and played. Warren's girlfriend. I'm just joking. No, that's Razortooth's girlfriend. Look at her. She looks cute with little antennas, eh? Nightbot. She only comes out at night with Razortooth. So, anyways, my friends, there you go. I gave you a little bit of information there. Well, more than a little bit. So, I just wanted to show you that. So yeah, I just want you to be careful on that, okay? The reason why I do that is because, and I'll look up any stock for you. Is YouTube messing around again? Yeah, that's why I don't trust. That's why with YouTube, Jeffrey, that's why I'm glad we got our own server and stuff running. Like if it goes down or messes up, it doesn't matter. It will not hurt the wolf pack at all. It just hurts the people that aren't members, right? No, we'll be running full steam ahead. I don't need it. I don't need YouTube or anything. I just go private. We own a server that's better than YouTube's. Yeah, not a problem. That's why I said it's up to you. $1.99, you can save your squeeze. Oh, damn it. Yeah, no worries. No worries, my friends. No worries. And you're welcome. You're welcome. I don't mind helping that. I agree, Jeffrey. I can't see anything. I'm not having any YouTube issues though here. Just hang on. I'm checking the server on YouTube right now. Oh, yeah, it's down. It is down. Weird. Just give me a second. I'm going to pull this screen down here, guys. I'm going to pull the screen share down for a second. I'm going to check something. Give me a second. I see that. I see it, guys. Thank you. Thanks, mods. I understand what you're saying here. Just give me a second. I don't know what you're talking about, my friend. I made a video on that. Exactly what's in my videos in the video. I don't. That is I'm talking. This is just for AMC, my friends. Like totally only for my videos made up for AMC. Just okay. Just be careful what you guys are doing. That's all. I already know what I'm doing. Just be careful. That's all. That's why I'm. All of this stuff is fail-safe systems. Okay, that I've designed. Okay, that's all it is. It's to protect you guys. I'm not worried about me. I'm done. I'm done. Right? I'm done. I'm set for life, my friends. I'm retired, 38. I'm done. Okay, I don't need to worry about anything like that. I'm trying to share this with you guys. And I want y'all to, most of my wolf pack is going to be joining me. They're on their way right now. Okay. And that's why I'm on here, right? I'm on here voluntarily to help people. Okay. It's just that this is all free information and some of it isn't. Spam. Hello, you have won $3 million. Please give us your bank account information so we can deposit the money. Okay, it's right here. Here, have the other one too. Here, have my all 5 accounts. Dumb shits. Stupid. I wonder who falls for that. Actually, should people do? Don't fall for that stuff, guys. Nobody gives money away for free. Okay, 1 hour, and yes, I'm going to meet you privately on the server for your video chat, and we're going to go through. I'm talking for. Just hang on a second. For whoever wanted to book the appointment, that was Ray. Yes, I'll see you at that time. Okay, just I'll contact you off the server. Yes, you're on the server. We need to set you up to make more money on the squeeze. Okay, I'm going to give you everything to do it. We're going to go through everything. Okay, girl. Is it working good now, Warren? Oh, thanks. MC's been he's a double OG status. Yeah. Thanks, brother. Thank you so much, man. That really means a lot. This goes for a lot of the people. And I try, and if they'll be, doesn't matter if you've been on the channel very first sub or been in this, I try to treat everybody the same, and I know I do, right? And if you do not understand stuff, I urge you to come forward and learn. Okay, hang out in that back room. I would call it the back of the classroom, back office. You're not. You got to come forward and talk. I know a lot of people don't like that. That's why it's private. There's private video chatting one-on-one. If you don't want to talk, then talk to me privately. Right? That's set up like that. Okay. That's why we designed that. It's because we want to just try to help everybody. Okay. But some people don't want help, right? They just think, oh, I got this. And those are the people that end up going, oh my God, what did I do? I could have had this. Remember that short squeeze back in this time frame? Oh, I wish I would have done this. I missed it. Oh man, why did I do that? I should have joined that membership. Damn, I would have learned some stuff. I only can offer it, right? So it's up to you. Oh, Yeah, well, yeah, definitely. Oh, that is me too. Oh, well, you remember now. Protege, yeah, I can look that up for you for sure. I don't know if I'll be able to pull charts up anymore today. Um, Mods, do you see any issues with YouTube still? Oh, it is still giving a warning code. Oh, it's good. It went back to normal. Okay, good, 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 good. We didn't die. Um, I can. That's isn't that's ape father stock? I call it. I'm just joking. I'm just joking around. Yeah, something's going weird here. I don't know. Fucking YouTube, man. Okay, we'll figure it out for you though. Connection's good. It's good. It's not excellent. So it is what it is. Okay, let's get you guys set up here. Let's have a look. Hey, brother, how you doing? Hey, man. Hopefully you're feeling better. Things are working out better for you today, bro. I seen what you put on the server. I'm not going to mention it privately, but it is what you know what I'm talking about. So, what the fuck did I do now? The dummy. Pretty slow today. Pretty slow. Oh, this is up. They're going up to 8 point something. I'm not. Oh, I want to tell you the bottom line on this. I forgot. It's not. I never said that you're not going to make money on this. Okay, I want to be very clear. I was asked a specific question on about a short squeeze. Okay, making money on swing playing and messing around with this stock is totally different. Okay, that's totally different. And yes, we can do that stuff too. I can help you with that stuff too, right? So you want me to look that up for you, my friends? I will look that up. I will look up Prodigy. Prodigy. Where is it? I should have an. Oh, it's right there. Prague. Prague. Some progage. I'll look up some progage for you. Progage. Ookie dook dook dook. Eh, it's it's eh. It's very low on short float shortage. It is above 10, so it is on a squeeze. When I say it's on a squeeze list, it means it's on the list. Well, there's like 50 stocks on that list. Okay, so I just want you to know I have different terminologies in different ways. For instance, like when I say a stock is ripping, like right now, ATER is on a rip. Okay, okay, what does that mean? That's lingo between the wolf pack. The wolves know what that means. Okay, when I say a stock is ripping, I don't need to even look at the stock. They don't need to even look at the stock. They know it's above 10%. That's a rip. Anything above 10, now it's at 11. Anything, that's what I said. On that stock, it doesn't mean that you won't make money. It's gone up 4% to 3% since I said that. Okay, it's going to go like this. So in those valleys is when you swing trade it. Okay, and yes, we walk through that stuff too. Okay, so let's get back onto Prague. Okay, so Prague has employees 124. It's short percent of float, and you guys can write this down, but it does change weekly. Okay, for now, for this middle of the week, this is what it is. Okay, and if you're comparing it, like I said, to Ortex, the number Ortex is don't even pay. It's like $300 a year. Buy stocks with it. And yes, I'm telling you what to do. And yes, that's financial advice. I'm telling you not to buy Ortex. That is financial advice. Okay. I can't tell you what the stock and what to do. But with Ortex, it's junk. Okay. Straight up junk. It's a waste of money. It's a scam. That's what that is. Okay. So let's get into some insider trading. Ooh, they've been buying like the mother on this one. Whoo, hoo, hoo. They're buying. Okay, Ethereum. Arthurium Capital Management. I can't spell it. I'll spell it because my accent is not working for me. ATHYRIMUM. Sorry, and it is a buy. They $2.47. They bought 8,977,166 shares. Holy crap! And that was on the 2021 6-month 14th day. And they bought a whole bunch. This guy has that's that same company. I'm not going to go through all of them. Okay, major holders. Yeah. Okay, so the percent of shares held by insiders is 9.12. Percent of shares held by institutions, 28.39. Okay, percent of float held by institutions, 31.23. So the same formula that I talked to you about goes in effect. You got to, if you're going to figure it out, you got to do a bunch of math. It'll probably take about 10, 15 minutes to do the math. It's probably about 10. On a calculator, maybe about 7 minutes. Okay, so I showed you how to do the math. You know what the short percent of float is, right? And this does not synthetics because it's not real numbers. So you got to use the real numbers. Find out the float. You find out the float. You find out who owns what shares, okay? And then you find out the whole institution of float. Percent of float. It tells you right here. I'm giving you the number. I'm giving you one of the one of the nettities of the equation, okay? X, Y, Z, okay? Einstein. That's the mathematical formula for this. His theory is the same, how to figure out a stock squeeze, okay? So, I was seeing something come up on my list here. No. There it goes. It's at 11%. That one stock, ATER. It's going to go back down now. Yeah. It's going to consolidate. Oh, man, I could make some money swing trading this baby today. I would be done for the day. 11% is good for me for the day. That's enough money. I don't mess around. When I make over that, I'm done. Out like that, gone. I'm done for the day. I don't mess around with that stuff. I don't care. I that's good enough for me. That would be like $2 or $3 grand in my pocket for the day. So, anyways, 31.23, and then you find out that what the 13.6 or 13.36 short of float. And that's how you do it. Okay. So, same companies are in all the stock. Vanguard and BlackRock own almost every stock on the planet. Okay. When it comes to the New York and Toronto stock and New York Stock Exchange, I've done, they own like 80% of everything. Okay. We're talking every share, not all the shares in the world. I'm talking about they're in every company almost. Okay. They're huge. And yes, that's what they're going to have problems with. They're going to have to liquidate a lot of this stuff, okay, too. Same as the hedge funds. That's what we're going to call a fire sale going on, okay? I already know the companies that are going to go on fire, okay? In the fire sale, they call it fire sale. Okay, the ones that are going to go on fire are some of my dividend plays. That's why I'm sitting there waiting for this stuff. And yes, the Wolfpack will be having, this will not be public knowledge on YouTube. I will not disclose that. That is Wolfpack material. We're going to go in there and we're going to scoop a bunch of dividend shares and stuff like that. And within a year or two, they're all going to make multiple millions instead of just whatever they make off the squeeze. The squeeze is just the foundation to success. That's just the beginning. That's nothing. The squeeze, that's nothing for money. You can make way more than that off of that. Okay. And I'll show you how. I'll show you how I did it just off of a couple $100,000 on swing trading and turn it into a substantial amount. I'm not going to disclose how much on here, but on my thing on server, I will. And I'll show you. I showed you the figures all the time. Okay. So I'll show you. It's easy to do. Okay. So that capital Ethereum capital management, I think I'm spelling it wrong, is number one. Number two is Vanguard Group, Hillenberg Berman Group. I don't know who that is. And then BlackRock. Okay. So Citadel is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th on the list. Citadel only owns 0.1 or 0.16 of this float. Citadel is like number 20 or 30 in AMC. Citadel has reduced their position big time in everything. Citadel is on the verge of bankruptcy. I'm telling you right now. They are over leveraged. They're done. They are friggin' done. Citadel is one of the biggest options companies in the world. Okay, I'm telling you that right now. They make money off of options. When you're out of the money, you're giving money to Citadel. Pretty much. Okay, they're one of the big options players in the world. Okay, they deal with options in multiple countries. Okay, I know this stuff. Okay, so Citadel is the high frequency. Yes, Citadel is one of them ones, the third algorithm. Okay, they have their own algorithm for high frequency trading. It's not in the market. It's not in the market. They have their own algorithm. Okay, it's not in the market. I'm telling you that right now. There's only two in the market. Citadel, their high frequency trading makes an algorithm. Okay, I just want to be very clear. What they do, that high frequency trading makes a vibration that distracts the algorithm. It throws off a sell signal. Does that, you understand that? Okay, that's what I'm talking about. There you guys go. And I will make a video one day on it, but I don't. If you're on Wolfpack, you're gonna know it. I don't need to tell everybody else that stuff. I don't even care if anybody. Well, I don't want to share that information. I know lots of people are listening to it, but if they listen, they listen. But I just let people listen to other stuff, right? That's Wolfpack stuff. If you're here, you learn it. If not, it's no big deal. I don't need to brag and show off about all that stuff that I know. I'm not that person. I don't care, really. I don't, right? Like I said, we're here. It is what it is. AB! I mentioned Brog and he got up. What? Brog? And yes, AB, I'm going to be showing him how to do and read algorithms. He is one of my bros. And yes, I don't show that just to anybody, but he will be working if he wants to. I'm going to offer him a position with our company. It's not the channel, but we have a company, okay, that we're going to be getting into in a bit. And I want him to be a partner on that. So yeah, I just want to tell you guys that. Did you finally get some rest, brother? Because we've been hammering away, me and him, for a while, doing just content creator. So, oh yeah, you look at all the holy crow! Look at all the love from the wolves, bro. When should we get into swing trading? That's kind of a broad. I'm married to a math teacher. There you go. There you go. I gave you. This is recorded. Show him. Talk to him. Okay. What did I just explain? He can do the math on it. I just gave him the formula. Okay. If he's a math teacher, he can figure this out right to the T. So just play back the video because it's all recorded and let him listen to it. You might have to listen to it a couple times because I talk fast and I'm all over the place. That's just me. I've got multiple stuff on the go, right? Just me. It is what it is. That's just how I am. I've always been like that. Very fast talker on the go. Like that that's why I get a lot of stuff accomplished in my life. Okay. It is what it is, right? I'll never change like doing that. And that's why that people are too slow in my world. Yeah. It's just, if I don't have a lot of things on the go, I don't feel comfortable, right? Wow. Cool. Ouch. Sorry, I'm just reading some stuff. I know I'm quiet. I'm going to have a coffee break in a minute. I'm just looking through some stuff here. There you guys go. See it, how it hit the bottom? I said it was going to go down into a valley. Right now, this is your entry point right here. There's those three crows again. Remember? Look at this. See? Look at that. You would have made a ton of money. Okay. Like I said, I'll only help you out. There's not that many people that can do that live. Okay. I've done it five times today. 5 times today. I've called that out. Okay. Just for you guys to learn. Um, that is the sign right there. But that's consolidation. But that is the sign right there. Boom, it goes up. See, look at that. Up. Okay. That's your entry right there. You got to wait for that to seal and then it'll go up. It'll only go up a little bit and then it'll come back down again. Okay. This stock goes in waves. Okay. These are swing trading waves. These are your entries. If you can sell, if you have an app that you can sell, and you don't have a 3-day sell option on it, like where you buy, sell, buy, and then you're locked out for the week, you can swing trade the crap out of this thing. Okay. You just make fractionals. Okay. That's what I made all my money, is doing this stuff. I made it on our Tarnazaras. I made hundreds of thousands of dollars in 1 month on that. 1 month. Okay. On a stock that's a penny stock. I don't like the bigger chip stocks. It's hard to make money on. You got to have a lot of money to put in, which is not a problem, but you don't need it. You can buy a huge amount of shares at this price. Something that's on 50 cents that fluctuates between 50 cents and $2. You can make a frigging killing on that. Okay. I'm just telling you right now. It's so easy to do. And it doesn't matter how corrupt the market is, you can still do it. Okay. You got to watch certain stocks. See this curvature? That's a moneymaker. Okay. But you got to know. You would have already been up. I would have sold out at 11, jumped back in, because that's just the way I go. Because you don't know what it's going to do on the other side down here. Okay, nobody does. I don't give a shit what they say. I'd like to trade with them and see that, because it's impossible. So I would have cleaned out on my 10% and gained another 4. Okay, so that would have been close out. See, it didn't have the 3. It didn't have the third one here, so it's going to collapse. Okay, if this would have gone back to a 3 with a red, that would have gone higher. Okay, it's showing you. And everybody does things different. That's just my system. Okay, I'm going to go back to the chat and answer some questions. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys that. And I'm not saying everybody else has a wrong system. Everybody has their own system. Okay, I just have my own system, right? And it is what it is. Other people aren't wrong because of that. It's just that it is whatever works for you. I just want to be very clear on that. Okay. Money is easy to make. I'm telling you right now. It is. It is. It is. It is. Oh, dog hair again. I was just out there petting my dogs. I love them so much, man. I love my little babies. Money is easy to make. I'm telling you that. But it's easy to lose. It's way easier to lose. So the ticket is to make money. I'll tell you the formula right now. Not to make big chunks of it. Okay. There's only a very few amount of people that will get that into a play. You want to make fractionals. Fractional gain over a distance of time, you'll make more than what a person makes in one big chunk. So with AMC, for instance, okay, that big chunk, if you are greedy and you trade waiting to $100,000 for the squeeze, you're done. But if you realistically think about it, and I'm not saying sell early, the wolf pack already knows. We already have a system. So you can, if you keep your head on your shoulders and you're grounded, yeah. So it is what it is. So I was just reading a comment from the server. So yeah, I just want you to know that. Okay, fractional gain is stronger. The turtle, the turtle in the hair. There you go. So this stuff is what we stand for on the wolf pack. Okay. It's just the system that we've developed and we work with it. Okay. There's a lot of very successful people. And even if you don't make money, we're open to everything. Okay. With that, when I say that, I mean that You don't need to be successful to be one of us. Okay. If you just want to learn, there's people that are in the wolf pack that don't have any shares in any stocks. They're just coming here to hang out. We're okay with that. Right. And you'll be treated the same. That's all I'm saying. Okay. I make sure that it is what it is. It is what it is. Okay. Any questions here at all? I'm just going to go through question time here. There you guys go. It's doing it again. I'm just keeping it on this now. It's up to 17. See? There you guys go. Would have cleared out there and made another 7%. That's 17% on. I'd do $5, $10, $20,000 increments. That's how I operate. Okay. So yeah, I would have done 10 on this one. I wouldn't put 20 in. It's too much, too volatile. So yeah, that would have been good money for the day. That would have been a couple $1,000, right? I would have been now. I'm done. I would have been done. I don't mess around now. Now it's uncertainty in the market. Yeah, I'm done day trading by 10. Out. Done. What I'm doing it. I'm waiting on that. I'm not jumping in any day trade plays right now because for one thing, I can't trade that disability thing into swing trading. You have to have a cash account for that, margin account. For one thing, is I am very bullish into AMC, and I don't have time to do it right now with doing this, and it doesn't matter. Like I said, I don't need to do that. It's not worth the stress and time away from you guys to do it. Excuse me. Like I said, I'm going to be camping for 40 days, 38 to 40 some odd days in the next couple months when I start my camping, and I'll be out live with you guys camping and doing my stock trades. You'll see. That's what I do, right? I just, I hibernate in the winter and just do this stuff. And then I go play in the summer. I do it. I've been doing it since I was a teenager. Right. And that's just how it is, right? That's my quality of life, right? I love camping. I love the wilderness and stuff like that. I've always been like that. In the winter months, I'm usually in Mexico. Okay. I just haven't been since COVID, and I'll be day trading down there with you guys. Even if we're not doing the Wolfpack thing, I'll be down there just hanging out. Depends on what the economy happens, right? This really has been a damper, this COVID thing, but it's been, the COVID thing has made me a lot of money. Okay. Back because I can sit there until I launched YouTube, but yeah. I should bring up that one stock. Oh, that I got to say this on Tarnas Zaraz. I got to be very clear on this. Stay the heck out of that one. Not financial advice. That is scary right now. They're in a lawsuit. Okay, they do stem cell research and they do a whole bunch of stuff. They do stuff for people with Down syndrome. It's a good company in that essentially, but they got themselves into a lawsuit. So I'm not saying, I want to be very clear. The swing trading, that will not work for you anymore. There's other stocks out there. There's tons of opportunity. Okay, if you look for it, you got to know what to look for. But yeah, like I said, the average person, this is what Trey and Astor did not mention, that this is why the average person will lose in the 2 weeks all their money. Okay, there's ways to do things. You just got to be careful. Okay, and if you do need a hand on that, I'll help you right on that. Just talking to you about what to look for. Okay, I don't mind doing that. Okay, TF brother. Team has not started. Yeah, they're doing a big, they're firing up another sector to it. But nobody has the core samples for that, bro. So if I need the core samples, I can tell if it's going to be a moneymaker or not. You can tell off the core samples. Yeah, I heard that they have a bunch of impurities. Depends on what the impurities are. They're using a cyanide extraction technique. I wanted to see what the clarifying system is. I know all about this stuff, right? It's really simple, but it's a lot of knowledge. I have about 20 years into that, just into mining itself, but in the gold panning prospecting, my whole life, right? Mr. Al, just hang on a second. I'm going to the server right now. Just give me a second. Here, I'm in the server. Where do I stay in Mexico? Tulum. I like Tulum. Tulum, Tulum, Tulum. I love Tulum. Chicken Itza. You guys know what that is. I call it chicken pizza because of chicken Itza. Uh, over there. Yeah, I did. That's pretty cool. That's a cool little thing place. I got all the pictures here. Yeah, I should post them up. When I'm in Mexico. Oh, brother's in there. Stefan, you made it. Yeah, he's in the server. I just want to set up my meeting with you anytime this week. Yeah, brother, I'm live right now. And you're like, heck the hell, he's live and then server too. Yeah, man, I told you we got our shit together over here. Oh, I got a bunch of messages. Hi, Cam, available. Yes, 9:30. Girl, I'm gonna meet up with you. Right off the server, I'll launch. You've never done it before. I can launch our video chat right off our server. Okay, it'll ring like a phone. So just have your computer on, okay, please, or your phone or whatever you're doing. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. There you go. I'm back. Just like that. Okay, are you going to? Okay, hang on, Barry. Am I gonna go gold prospecting when I'm camping? Where I'm camping is pretty low down. I might throw a gold pan on the quad and take it up into the mountains. I'm taking you guys up into the snowpack. When it's 100, well, you guys go by a different system in the States. When it's 100 here, I know you guys use Fahrenheit and Celsius. When it's like 89, 100 degrees, I take the quad. It's about a 2-hour ride, and I'll take you guys up live. I'll have to record it. I don't have cell service up there because up too high. The cell tower, the frequency of the tower, I can't get a signal. There's no way because I'm way above it, right? But what I will do is record it all up there, and I'll come down and download it, upload it for you guys. And what I'll do is have the GoPro hooked up. I got them. Show you. I got GoPros right here. Somewhere. Where are they? The camera's right here. This goes on my quad. This goes right on the front of the quad. Okay. There's a little thing right here. So what I do is I take that up there with me and record all that stuff, and I'll take you guys. Yeah. Oh, Tulum ruins. Yeah, that's what she's talking about. The Tulum ruins in Mexico. Oh, why hide your camera? You're not allowed to take pictures in there. It's illegal. Hide your camera on you, and you cannot use GoPros in there. Cameras, I think, are a little bit different. It's GoPros. They don't allow GoPros when you're in the Tulum ruins. They don't want you filming it live. It's illegal, right? So just make sure you hide that stuff and don't get caught with it because they will confiscate it, and that shit's expensive, right? Yeah, good one, Christy. Thank you. That's awesome. It's the government. They don't allow that stuff because people, you can make money off of their stuff. You have to apply for a permit. You can actually get a permit to do it, but it's just because people make magazines and stuff on their stuff and you make money off it and they don't. That's all it is. So yeah, I will be like the snowpack. I'll be taking my quad up there and I'll be shooting stuff live up there for you guys. I like to lay in the snow on a nice hot day in the snow. Yeah, it'd be cool. I'm, I want to go do it. John Snipe Wiccan's video today disappoint. What? What's up, brother? I'm friends with him. Why? What's up? Oops. Well, what happened, buddy? I know I've met and talked to him. We're not like Wolfpack brothers, but I don't mind him actually. But I don't watch his content or anything. Once in a while, but I don't not support it. I don't know what he was talking about. I know nothing. I'm self-absorbed in my own stuff, which because I'm too busy. That's what I mean. Self-absorbed. I'm too busy with the family, right? The family is the family, right? And I feel safer in the family too. I like hanging with you guys. Saying no, what? No, really? In those words, brother? Ouch. In those words, like, really? That's not good. I don't know anything about it, so I can't make a comment to it. You have some BBG too. Oops, sorry. It is a cancer. I have some big no transfer. Any ideas? Anyone? Well, I can look it up on our squeeze list. Just give me a second. I'll tell you right now on BBIG. That's another one I think that you guys just got to get the proper information. I'll give you the information. I just feel bad, man, for all of you guys that get fucking lied to. There's too much of that bullshit going on lately. That's what pisses me off. And that's why I built this channel. I don't like it when creators make crap like that. When they intentionally lie just to do that. If they make a mistake is different. It's pretty low, man. It's down on the list too low. Am I on the right one? Yeah, I am, Vinkle. Yeah, it's 13.75, my friend. It's pretty low to squeeze. It's got to be up higher than that. Okay. That's half of what AMC is. Oh, I haven't looked at AMC's numbers for the day. I always do it on the Fridays, but we'll have a look. Let's see short of float. It's gone down. AMC used to be 20, 21, 20, 20, 20 in fractionals. When I say fractionals behind the decimal, it's 19.69 because the shorts have covered for the week. Okay. I want to be very clear on this. This has happened since every stock does it. There's long shorts and short shorts. Okay. The long shorts are the ones that shorted it. They'll make a squeeze. The short shorts are weekly. Okay. Monthly. Those don't matter. It's a certain amount of shares that just circulate. Okay. That is nothing to do with the short squeeze. I want to be very clear on that. So by next Monday, this number will be back to 20 again. Watch, I'll show you. It did smooth fractionals. It doesn't have anything. So I want to say on that. And so yeah, I'll say it again because I'm not saying that the shorts covered the longs. Okay, there's a difference there. Okay, it's because I mentioned that a month ago, and somebody, Cameron said the shorts have covered. And no, and then I played the video back, so the person actually got looked like a bit of a moron. Okay, so I want to say that there's a difference. Okay, there's short shorts which are involved in short plays, nothing to do with the short squeeze. Okay, we are short longs. Okay, the short long positions have been cornered and up against a wall. They can't get out of those positions. There's a difference. The short shorts are the weekly or monthly plays. Okay, that's all I'm saying. Okay, so I'll go back to that other symbol for you. I just wanted to see what AMC is at. It's at the same. It does that all the time. That's just normal. Every week or two it does that, or once a month it changes. It changes 1 to 2%, 1 to 2%, back and forth, back and forth. Doesn't mean anything. GME is up higher. It's because it's primed. It's still the short longs are stuck. Okay, GME did not squeeze. It didn't even come friggin' close to squeezing. That was on a gamma ramp, and it had a little bit of foam on there. It didn't even have a chance to manifest into a short squeeze. Okay, it never squoze. It never came close to a short squeeze. And you guys heard me correctly. Never came close. Okay. 26. Didn't I call that 26.42? Okay, so it's literally up 20 or 7% higher. This doesn't change much because it's locked. It's stuck in a bad spot not for us, for them. Okay, they're screwed. They can't get out of those positions. They have to close them. They can't. Okay, because there's no shares available. It doesn't matter what price it drops to GME. It doesn't matter. That's false. That's false information floating around. It's been false for a long time. It doesn't work like that. Okay. They got to get real shares to close that out. This, by doing a stock split and they didn't offer a cash reward, is brilliant. Okay. Because It's shares. They just screwed them even more. This could potentially start a short squeeze. Okay. I'm just telling you that right now. Look at this stock going pretty good here. Yeah, it's up 23%. There you guys go. There you guys go. She's on a go. She's on a go. She's doing a climb steadily and going up 424. Oh, it just went back down just that fast. Well, it's at 30. Crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Yeah, there's that sign right there. There it is right there again, my friends, because I pulled away. There was your, remember I said it will go in a group of three? It'll go in a group of three with two white. I was thinking white and black, but it goes green. Okay, remember I said that? Green, it has to be green and green. Green on one side, three reds and a green. That's your symbol that it's going to go on a run. Okay, there it is again right here. Okay, there you guys go. There it is right here. See the three? Right there. See? Okay. There you guys go. Just had to show you again. So we're going to go back to BBIG because I'm going to give you a little bit more. I'm all over the place on this because I like to cover stuff lots. And I just seen this out of the corner of my eyes. Okay. See how I can multitask? I can do tons of shit at once. Okay, so we're back here again on BBIG, but I got to put the symbol in. Here we go. And no, I won't show these documents with you. Okay, sorry about that. I don't. CRDT. I can cover that. Just hang on. I just want to finish this for this gentleman here. Ah, shit. Fuck off. Fucker. Oh, what am I doing here? You bastard. Just hang on a second, my friends. I just erased it by accident. Just want to cover this little bit for this person here. I can't see anything. What do you mean, Mr. L? No, I'm not sharing that stuff. I'm not sharing our documents. Not these ones. No, I'm looking on our hedgy documents here. Sorry, Mr. L. No, I'm not using it on the. I'm not using it on the screen. No, I can pull BBIG. I'm just somebody asked about it, bro. Thank you, though. I know what you're saying. Like I didn't have it. Fucking thing. Chair is $500 fucking chair in this piece of shit. There we go. The wheel gets caught on the leg there and it won't spin. Okay, so we're back on BBIG. I just wanted to do some insiders holding. Okay, this is I just want to cover this for you guys. Okay, Vanguard and BlackRock are number 1 and number 2. Vanguard owns, see, I told you they're everywhere. Vanguard owns 3.82% of the float. The short, this is the shorted. Vanguard or BlackRock Inc. 1.64. I can put it back on. Yeah, I'm on Alter right now. AMC's at 20 or 17. Went back to 17 again. 17.93 is at 2.83. Is exactly it is what it is. It's going to have to consolidate for a while. Okay, BBIG. This major holders. This is what you need to know. Okay, percent of shares held by insiders is 8.76. They got 15 employees in this company. Okay. The number of institutions is 101. Okay. Percent of shares held by institutions, 18.11. Okay. So this. So yeah, I was just figuring out the math in my head. I'm just trying to figure something out here. Percent of float held by institutions, 19.84. And that's it. That's it on that one. I'm not going to get anything else easier because we're not, it's just, that's all you need to know. It's not short squeezing, so you don't need to know anything else. Okay, I'm done with these lists. Oh. Now it's question time again. Okay. Jay. I wasn't. No, I was on the Oh, that just YouTube has a lag. Sorry. No, I wasn't sharing. I was going in. I was in our squeeze list stuff. That's why I wasn't sharing it. No, I was just letting you guys watch ATER. Right. Gloria likes tequila. Well, I'm gonna get you friggin' pissed when we're down there in Mexico because I'm gonna be doing the same, and I don't drink that much. See, Wolfpack branding. Those are my dog paws. Those are actually the real paws off my dog that passed away. I'm tagged. Yeah, my little buddy. Oh, I miss him. So I'm going to oh, I gotta get going here, my friends. I got a meeting at with one of the Wolfpack members video chat. So I'm out of here. Okay. I love you guys. And I gotta get it set up on the server here and go do some video work. Get this person set up for the short squeeze. So enjoy. Remember what I said about this stock. It's not set up for a short squeeze right now. So if you're going to make money, swing trade the shit out of this thing. That's not financial advice. It's just education. Okay. It's got to set itself up a little bit better. All short squeezes take a minimum of a year up to could be 5-6 years. It takes time to work on these things. So, oh, hi Tess. I didn't even see you in there. So yeah, well, I will be sitting. Oh, thanks, guys. I love you guys too. So everybody else, I will just see on the server, and I'll be over there talking for a bit. And what I will be is, Froggy has. Wow, that's a good hit. I would dump it right now if it was me. Not financial advice. If it was me, I would dump it and then get a new position. Tomorrow, I'm going to give you a heads up right now. This is not financial advice. This was going to have a negative pull down tomorrow. So you can reposition and make some money. Okay. So, and you can't do that on AMC. Don't screw yourselves on it. That's only on a stock squeeze play. You can't do that. It doesn't work for your advantage. Okay. So what I was going to say is I'm on with Froggy today. Oh, hang on a second. Just hang on a second. I got to check my stuff. I'm going to see if I am. I just want to see before I say that on there. Just want to go over to the list here. I just want to see if he sent me the stream link. Yeah, something came in. Oh, I got a whack of messages over here. Oh, right on, buddy. We got a whole bunch of Canadians. Dilly dog. Oh, yeah, Wednesday. Yep, there's a stream link. Okay, I'm on with Froggy then. I just had to double check that with you guys. So yeah, I'll be posting it up pretty soon. You'll see it come up on live, the thing. I'm going to be over with him hanging out for the afternoon for at least about an hour and a half. Love you, Wolfpack. Peace.